change that beat up.
Here we go.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. What's going on? Sorry, chat. I had to talk to the market maker real quick, you know. But I think we sorted everything out. Things are looking good. You know.
Taking it too hard. We the best music. Another one. DJ Khaled. Scratched $1 million off my checklist 3 years ago. At 2 zeros to the 1, I'm in a different mode. It's my life, do what I want, I be with different hoes. You know the pick and roll, I picked her up and sent her home. I got rich off strong, we get them in and get them gone. You know Trappy just got out, ain't have to put them on. We the ones who got the numbers to put the city on. It's the middle of the summer, I got a hoodie on. My demon time ain't nothing nice, I try not to wear nothing tight. I came up off of shooting dice, yeah. My little brother ain't living right, my sister them doing alright. My cousin them still serving life, yeah. Seen the robber digging, I seen the preacher get caught for cheating. I break the bank for one of my people. I said I'm the one, they didn't believe me. I show them the facts, now they all need me. I'ma get cake as long as I'm breathing. They making it hard, this shit really easy, yeah. I'ma turn up on a hater every chance that I get. I want the biggest watch that they got, don't care if that shit hurt my wrist. All these hoes fuck on us all, I wish I would claim that bitch. They get hard when they get guns, we got a hood full of sticks. Soon as they say we can't come, you know we'll run around that bitch. You can mix me with that shit, you know I live in the mix. Money, cars, and clothes and hoes. You know I live in the mix. Money, cars, and clothes and hoes. Yeah. She think I'm a regular rapper, I'm not. One person come tell me we fucking, you block. Watch me run this shit to the tip of the top, yeah. Keep going. Put my kids in Givenchy. She must ain't 1 + 1 is 3. I can't support your personal needs. She don't got a mortgage, moved in with a need. These niggas be capping, them cars be leased. Youngest in charge, I speak for the streets. I would nod and nod, they woke up a beast. Struggle what made me, we used to have water for dinner. We didn't have nothing to eat. Soon as I get on his ass, they gon' look on me bad. I'm like, damn, he was fucking with me. Yeah. I'ma turn up on a hater every chance that I get. I want the biggest watch that they got, don't care if that shit hurt my wrist. All these hoes fuck on us all, I wish I would claim that bitch. They get hard when they get guns, we got a hood full of sticks. Soon as they say we can't come, you know we'll run around that bitch. You can mix me with that shit, you know I live in the mix. Money, cars, and clothes and hoes. You know I live in the mix. Money, cars, and clothes and hoes.
I'm from the trenches, nigga. Niggas be tough on the net, but really be there for attention. Bitches be talking like they really rich, but really be begging me under my pictures. I give her 40, 50,000 cash to start up a business. I spend that shit at the dentist. I'd rather fucking impale but rent for a year just to get out of her feelings. I'm in the Lambo truck in my hood, nobody gon' tell me shit. Going to Cali, I pick my weed for sure, nobody gon' mail me shit. Dice game, crops a CeeLo, I need cash, don't sell me shit. Baby got his hood, I'm smashing, you can tell they really rich. Drop the low, ain't no room right now, I took her to the O. Then I put up on the lamb, cause she a fan of Booney Mo. I got the city on lock, fucking up all the ops. I be around with $3 million in jewelry, I'm standing on all the blocks. This an anthem, dropping the 6 in the phantom, Black Rose truck with the all-white century, man, I'm sitting on Panda, I love my cousin, she was a dancer. I love my brother, he was a scammer. Sit on my lap cause I'm pulling her tracks, and I fuck from the back cause she calling me handsome.
I'ma turn up on a hater every chance that I get. I want the biggest watch that they got, don't care if that shit hurt my wrist. All these hoes fuck on us all, I wish I would claim that bitch. They get hard when they get guns, we got a hood full of sticks. Soon as they say we can't come, you know we'll run around that bitch. You can mix me with that shit, you know I live in the mix. Money, cars, and clothes and hoes, you know I live in the mix. Money, cars, and clothes and hoes. We the best music.
My bad. Our cam should be good now, chat. In about 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, so I have an issue today. There's no lights today because it low-key just fell off when I was playing games yesterday. So, but I think because I readjusted the other day. But don't worry, we had double-sided tape come today, so we're gonna redo that. Yeah, it's kind of chalked. But Don, there's no bottom wick on gold. Chat, there's no bottom wick here. Well, Don, if you zoom in, there's a bottom wick. But Don, if you zoom in, there's a huge bottom wick there. Is there really? Alright. Good morning, guys. Hey, Paul with a tier 2. What's going on? This is how we're starting off today. Music too loud? Oops, my fault. Thank you. Paul, what's going on? Appreciate it, brother.
She's seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and started a business.
Don, you going to enter? No. I just got here. I believe we closed back into range, but with this no bottom wick thing, it's kind of tough in this area. Chat didn't do my analysis yet, but off the rip, okay, I'm not gonna enter here. There's no bottom wick, but may wait for a 7:15 candle, 7:30 candle instead. All right, I'm gonna do the analysis real quick, and then we can get on to the rest of the session. All right, so starting off here, good morning, chat. Sorry I was a little late, but starting off here with gold and GJ today. It's pre FOMC, or right now it's pre FOMC, not today. We have FOMC later at like 2 p.m. Eastern, so in about 7 hours. In about 7 hours, you have in 7 hours. Wait, 7 hours. 7 hours. You're gonna have FOMC. All right, and this is FOMC. This is interest rates, and I think they're expected, if I'm not wrong, to increase rates by 0.75. So, interesting day. 2 p.m. Why stream? Well, remember what happened yesterday, chat? I don't know. I'll see. I'll let you guys know. Maybe not. Maybe just be a sales thing or whatever, a members thing. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. But yeah, you have FOMC today, and then tomorrow you're gonna have advanced GDP. All right, advanced GDP tomorrow at 8:30, and then I believe Friday you have core PCE price index. It's funny because everyone today was like asking me about, or someone's like, yo Don, Do you think core durable goods today will be very volatile? Do you think it'll have a big impact on the markets? Meanwhile, this 2 p.m. news that has even more impact. But yeah, let's take a look at the charts real quick. Let's take a look at gold and GJ for the day. Let me just send this Zoom link in. Boom, boom. Sorry, I was a little late, but I don't think we missed anything, to be honest with you guys. I think everything is still the same. Nothing really has changed. Chat, I don't have the lights here today. Bro. Want to see the lights? These are the lights. These are the lights right here. Don't worry. I have my double-sided tape coming today, so it'll be up tomorrow, but those are your lights. Let me just send this link in. Sorry. And then we get the party started. We can overtrade today. Overtrade and over leverage. The real deal. The official way of trading. Alright. So let's take a look at the charts real quick. So firstly, you're gonna have gold here. So gold for the weekly is I'm slowed down. Gold for the weekly, as you can see, has closed bearish here. Or bullish yet last week, back into this range here, right? So we mentioned this yesterday. Overall, the entire trend is still bearish. Nothing has really changed. We are still in the range here. So I would say that as long as we respect this resistance here, there's a high chance price should come down to retest the lows here at 1680 this week. Maybe even break the lows. But until you have a official kind of closure here at this resistance, there's no really direction just yet. We're kind of at an indecision level with the fact that this bullish counter here closed pretty much bullish, respecting support but right at resistance. So in order for us to have an actual range to go down, you need a bearish candle closure. So once you have a bearish candle closure at this resistance, you can likely drive down towards the next support and do something like this, perhaps, right? And it'll be lovely. But until then, there's not much I can do here in this situation, to be honest with you guys. I believe the daily is pretty bearish today. It closed kind of weak bearish. You can say it's still respecting the zone here to the left. It did break back into the range though, but unfortunately this candle didn't really drive down yesterday. It can't just hover there. I believe today's candle should be interesting though, as long as we respect the previous kind of high. This candle should flip bearish and drive down towards next support today at 1695, I'll say, towards the next support. Because overall what this is you can say it's a range here. So if you look left there, this candle flips bearish. There's a high chance it drives down to retest the lows. And it should be an interesting count today. You might even see like 1690 today, even 16, like further than 1690, who knows. But this is what I'm kind of expecting today's candle to do, as long as it respects the previous day kind of high. All right, keep that in mind. Daily overall still bearish. I believe sells to me today would be, at this point, I think sells are below here would be pretty clean, below 17, 18 here. We might even get pre-FOMC moves today too. Let's see. If we do, you can argue and say, oh well, maybe it could be priced in. But again, there's no moves happening just yet. But if we do start to get moves today, then you can say something like that. But yeah, bottom of the range is 1714. So it sells below 1718 to 1714 isn't too bad. It's a 40 pip range going down. I would wait for a closure below the range and then execute on sells once you actually close below, and it'll be a great position. All right, it'll be perfect. A perfect scenario. However, I believe, I mean, sells below would be clean, and then I'll say range 2 buys would be, because if you get a range 2 today, I believe this, if this support gets respected here and you break back into this range here, range 2 breakouts would be above here, above 1724. Buys above there wouldn't be too bad going up towards next resistance, and that next resistance is going to be up here at like 1727-ish levels. I'll put 727, yeah, around here overall, or over here, same, around the same areas. But yeah, buys range 2 breakouts would be above there as a 20 something pip range going up, and then above there you have cleaner traffic going up towards next resistance at 1732. So it's a 50 pip range going up. So who knows, it might be an interesting day. I believe once you break above day highs, which is 728, you should drive out towards 732. And that's when you have that 50 pip range going up, right? So you have options today. All you gotta do is be patient, really, and things should be pretty smooth today as it was yesterday, right, chat? But yeah, that's gold. On to the next pair. You have GJ here. GJ for the weekly, I'll say, is bearish overall. We haven't flipped yet. Will we flip? Who knows? But once you do flip, if you do flip, there's a high chance this candle would drop down towards next support at 161. But Don, there's wicks to the left. Yes, I know. However, look at this candle closure. This candle closed below that range there. There's a difference in this candle this week and the candles to the left, right? Look left here. You have all these rejections here, rejections here, rejections here, rejections here, rejections here. But what happened here? This candle closed below, right? So there's a high chance that as long as this candle right here respects the previous high, this candle will flip down and come down towards next support at 161. So I will be looking for sells this week. I just need this candle to create a top wick first, and overall for the week we should be able to come down like this very nicely towards next support. But who knows where we'll flip. I would say though, there is a you can say levels where price has rejected in the past has been around here. So you can argue and say it could be around here where price rejects, but you don't want to predict that. You want to see price reject and then take sales come down. So obviously looking at the daily is not ready to be bearish yet. There's no sign of confirmation, but if we do close today bearish, then tomorrow should be interesting because we'll come down like this tomorrow. So if you close bearish today in about 9.5 hours, which is 5 p.m. At this resistance like this, and tomorrow's count should be a pretty aggro day, and it should give you a drop down with the weekly bias. But you need that confirmation today first or tomorrow, whenever the day comes. You need that bearish confirmation off the daily to match with the weekly. But yeah, I think the 4 candle here in this case is pretty bearish. Unfortunately, the day bias is bullish today, so I would look for buys above this resistance. If you break above 165.273, I look for buys above there going up towards the next resistance at this range here at 165.949. All right, that's kind of what I'm looking for today. Buys above here, and then look left. You have all this clean traffic going up. It's a range of 71 pips here. So if you get a closure above, that'd be great. Otherwise, you do have a support right here being formed. This could be a fake out, which you could anticipate buys on once you close back into the range though. You have the support right here. So if price were to, you can say, close bullish back into this range here, there's a high chance it can likely drive up to fill the range. Oops. Fill the range and maybe even drive all the way up towards next resistance. Like so. So you have two options today for GJ. You have buys above here, this range here, and then you have buys above here, this range up here. Cool. That's the analysis, and pretty straightforward, chat. Pretty straightforward. You need a candle to close though. Definitely need a candle to close. It did break 1 hour highs, which is cool, but once you close, you have a better idea of where price could be headed here. I did want gold sells here earlier, chat. I definitely want to sells below here earlier. Like the range going down here is pretty small here in this case. It's like a 10-pip range going down, but with the no bond awake, you might as well wait for sells below here. So that's why I moved my line towards here instead. But 1 hour is clean. Close below most recent support. Just no bond awake. Kind of tough. Yes, sir. Geez, finally a day if we get no positions. Yo, chat. Sorry about the lights, by the way. I feel kind of naked without the lights back here. It looks kind of lonely and sad. Fortunately, they'll be back on tomorrow. These lights though, these lights over here, because I got lights over here. These lights are fine, but on the right temperature. Imagine. No lights? Or lights? What happened to the lights? They fell off, man. They'll come back tomorrow. Nah, I'm using these lights right now though in the front. What's it called? Oh yeah, the key light. These are lights I'm using. These ones. These ones. Those are my front lights. You guys don't see that, but you guys see it, the reflection. That's what lightens me up. I have RGB lights, but I don't like the strips. Why is my camera? I'll just do that. There we go. Make sure you buy a filter. Do I need a filter though? I can just do this. These are cold. That's cold. This is warm. What was the difference? Fake stream? For real. Fake stream, man. What up, Paw? Paw Wall?
What's up, my boy?
What up, what up, what up? Come back?
Yeah, no. I was on vacation. I just got back yesterday.
Damn, you've been gone for a minute.
Yeah, I was in I went to Aruba with my girl.
Oh shit, I thought you were in Delaware for some reason.
Nah, I came back from Delaware like a couple of weeks ago, and then we ended up taking like a quick last minute spur of the moment vacation to Aruba.
How was it?
Shit's fire, bro.
How long were you there for? 3 weeks?
A little over 2.5 weeks, yeah.
Was it like a resort type shit or?
Yeah, we stayed at a resort.
3 weeks? Would you get bored?
Nah, bro, there's a lot to do there. Like the economy is so good.
Damn.
Yeah.
Kind of fire. I might need another one of these to be honest.
Yeah, bro. I would suggest it. It gives you like that Fiji type of vibes. Should be dope.
Yeah, I need that like hot vacation.
Yeah.
Is that resident? No, it's Paul chat. It's Paul in the chat. Hello, digital cash. What's going on? You want to check? You guys want the lights? I got you guys. Hold on. Yeah, chat. Those are our lights. Give it like 5 minutes to reset. Honestly, I might just pop these ones on, to be honest. Nah, I have a shit ton of lights. Just go ahead and use them. You were lit? Yes, sir. It's fire. Can I check gold on a 4 hour real quick, Don? Gold on 4 hour. What about it? Flipping bullish? Oh, good call, actually. I think I skipped the 4 hour count on gold today. I did skip the 4 hour count on gold. I went from daily trades to 1 hour. Yeah, daily is bearish, however, but 4 hours is definitely bullish here. I believe it's a range too. I'm looking for buys too on gold. Just, if you get a fake out or if you get buys with like 724 here, but the 4 count is not bad. Not bad at all. You have this like resistance here. You have this resistance right here at 722. You have the support down here. This is a range you're kind of in right now. And you can say, well, if price decides to flip bullish here at the current bottom wick, tap most recent support, high chance thing has to drive up towards next resistance, which is up here at 729. So how big is this range going? How big is a stop versus how big is a range? Stops are going to be 47. TV is only going to be 49. Yeah, so it's definitely a 1 to 1. And even if it drives up, day has to be broken by then, though. Interesting. Not a bad take. Not a bad take. Let's see. Let's see 722. Let's see all the action here in the past. Your far looks different than mine. You might be on a different broker on TradingView. My only issue with daily is like very bearish today, daily. Not very, but overall still bearish.
The 4 hour flips, that'll be the weekly flipping bullish as well.
Is it really? Oh yeah, it is. Yep. 4 hour flips there, it's gonna be around, or the weekly flips there, it's gonna be around the 4 hour flip. Well, it's gonna be the 4 hour wick fill. So once it actually comes up, but yeah, it's around there.
Yeah.
It's an extra like maybe 20 pips.
Which makes sense. The weekly flip, and we have that support to the left.
Yeah, good call. You're gonna take sells, but to range 1? No, gold's over our bearish today, so you can take it anywhere. Below here, we cleaned them. Unless the 4 hour flips, then different story here. It's not bad though. Not bad. It's kind of like messy ranges to the left. Like you don't really have anything too clear. You can say this right here, but I mean it didn't even close below anyways. They gave us a resistance up here, support down here. So I'm just gonna put it here actually. 720. I guess you can say you close right at support. But there won't be any sells there for me. Like sells for me would be below 1718, but I'm just gonna have it here so it looks more defined in terms of ranges, so it's easier to see from the eyes. You do have a fake out here on GJ coming up here. I mentioned it earlier. If you get like a potential closure back into the range, which I believe you may get here in 7 minutes here, you may get some. You could get some buys here. It's either we get a closure above 165.044 or maybe like above like 164.993. Yeah, let's see. We have 7 minutes left. Obviously above 165 will be a lot cleaner. It will be a fake out plus with the day bias being bullish. It's pretty easy buys, pretty simple buys. We man pulled up, yes sir. Gold is pretty clean at 4. Hold on. I'll leave for 1 second. 1 second. This guy in chat. Yeah, who made that Vi check command? I always wondered. Like, by the looks of it, looks like JXTR.
Yeah, I think that was JXTR.
It was definitely JXTR. For sure. I go in his stream. He has a command for everything. Like, hey, what's up? There's a hey, what's up command. Like, yo, JXTR, can you do a like? There's a command for everything. Perfect JXTR. You guys come out for his address? For real, bro. Are you planning on buying gold? I broke gold down just now. Moments ago. As to what I was looking for. No, I'm not looking for buys here. I want to see. I don't know. Let's see. I want to see this. It'd be great if this 30-minute account closes bullish, like back into his range here, above 1722, and then like the 4-hour flip wouldn't be too bad for positions, because the stop would just be technically the 4-hour low, or you can say the 30-minute low, 30-minute previous count low. Let's see. Is JXT arcade? Yeah, I was playing Apex him the other day. He's just dealing with some stuff, personal stuff, but like he's fine. He's just chilling. He's just he'll be back on stream. I don't know when, but he said soon. Damn. Chat, will we finish off with 2 losses for the month? Honestly, looking at the losses we took this month, this loss on the 19th. What happened here? I think it's a late trade, right? When did you get that, John? Like 10 a.m. I wouldn't have done anything differently here. Like, I don't think so. Look pretty clean. Like, I think maybe going back, there was like some type of 1-hour support. I remember. Like right here going across. This is a 30, but 1 hour had like a support going across, I believe. But overall, like in terms of advantage points here, it was pretty clean in that scenario there. And then you had another trade, which was on the another loss, which was on the 6th of July. 6th of July here. What happened here? Same onion play. Down to the entry point. I will move my stop loss. Did I wait for a stupid wick first? Ooh, about to be activated. Very close. And we're in. Nice. So I did. Have been activated. It's a pretty good trade. Honestly, we don't have done anything differently as well. This thing closed below the range, back into the range. I mean, wait, what? Was it not a break-even trade? 6 business break-even. 734. Oh, we took 2 trades. Okay, the earlier trade. I'm like, okay, wait, how did that trade not play out? It was this trade. 7 a.m. What happened here? Okay, 1 hour close below the range there. Create a perfect top wick. Activated. Interesting. By a bit, but it's gonna be the. Okay, this thing flipped bearish again. Yeah, no, drove down. How much did it drive down by? Yeah, like Probably 7-8. Almost had the 3 point. I probably may have missed a minor support there or something. Overall, pretty decent trade. Ain't bad. Do you have a closure here? You have a closure. 6 seconds. Ginger is not gonna close below the range or above the range. Gold is gonna close bullish. So the 1 hour is still bearish. It can still flip. At this point, I'll probably wait for a 1 hour close or out of the 4 hour flip. But they're maybe closing bearish, bullish here. Not really closing above most recent resistance since it's gonna be like right here. It is closing bullish though, respecting 722.225. I'll say yeah, there's nothing I really can do here in this case. I would identify this as one range alone, and I'll wait for buys above this range here or maybe even the 4 hour flip. So again, 8 AM or it's gonna be the 4 hour flip. 4 hour flip isn't bad. I'm still looking at it. It's not bad. Stops is just kind of a little wide, maybe 4 to 5 pip stops, but TP is like 45. It's like basically a 1-to-1 you have here. Yeah, I can probably wait for 8. Unfortunately, chat. Sucks, right? Sucks being a trader. Gotta wait all day, right? Yo, sales chat? Yes, sir. Contrafx.com. How do you calculate risk on gold? What do you mean? I risk 1%. 1-2%. Wick special GJ? Good eye. The 1 hour is bearish. Did break the highs though. The 4 hour candle could still flip bearish and drive through, but it closed above the range though. If it closed below and the 1 hour didn't break the highs, for sure I'll have a self stop and a breakout of lows coming down towards 164. But in this case, it closed back into the range here, but not back into the range enough for me to take a position. Wait, is this 4 kind of respecting the lows here? It is 164, 46. Once that level is still being respected, the 4 kind of closed bearish, but still respecting that support. And then you drop down to 30 close slightly back into the range there. How big is this candle? 8 pips. 8 pip stops. Probably want a steeper wick than that. I think ideally I was looking for buys above here earlier. 165. I wanted a breakout of that range, which you might get at 8 AM here if it just kind of drives up. But yeah, no, there's no position for me here just yet. How do I gauge how much lot I should use? You go on calculator and then you calculate your account balance and you find what 1 or 2% risk is, or whatever percentage risk you want. One it's the new app, I think it's called, on the App Store or the Google Play Store. I think they both have it. Do you have your stream at FOMC or not? I don't know yet. You guys remember what happened yesterday? Short term memory, huh? Did you trade real account? And then for admin, not gonna lie, I'd rather trust Paul the admin than MM. The MM and Paul barely shows up. Or he just shows up, but not as much as MM. MM shows up every day, but the thing about MM is like, chat. Do you guys like you guys don't care about our Discord? That whole Discord might be gone.
MM is unpredictable.
Unpredictable. Like you never know what's gonna happen next. It's like trading a fit. It's like the MM is the definition of no top wick candle. He's the bullish no top wick candle. You never know what's gonna happen. No, I know MM wouldn't delete the Discord, but I don't know. So MM is actually he's actually the top wick candle. That's how I would describe MM. No top wick candle. Jeez, what did Juju do? Juju came up. Nice. Nice. How big was that stop? 8 pips? Sheesh. Sheesh. 1 hour's looking good now. 23 minutes. Or maybe even, oh yeah, 1 hour. Third major's close. Why are you guys laughing, chat? What happened to Marcos? Coming back August 1st. Coming back. Oh. After all we've been through, bruh. All MM asked me is, hey Don, can I get admin? Can I get admin? Can I get admin? Admin don't ask for admin. A real admin. Oh brother, Nick HD. For margin noise. Why did Wix not just come and take up screen space? Like this guy is not even here. Wix. He just comes to take up screen space. Like that space can be used for clean traffic looking left, but instead we're looking at nothing. You scared a shit out of me? Why? Trauma? You got trauma or what? How come we didn't get Baz GJ fake out? I was waiting for the 1 hour close, or I was either waiting for a closure on 30 above here. It's not bad if you guys got in. It's a good position. Recommend a broker? I used to use TD. TD is a great broker. Use crypto's country, but I found a different broker, Blueberry Markets, which in Canada is regulated, or regulated overall. They accept Canadian clients, and they have no commissions on gold, and they have very small, tight spreads. So, I mean, I just switched, but I still recommend all brokers. Just because I'm not using one doesn't mean it's ass or it sucks. It's just this is the best broker for me right now. All right. And I'm not even gonna like promote, like I don't even have any type of like thing with them. Maybe a referral, but I'm not really partnered or anything with any broker. And no, I'm not gonna join your funded. I'm not gonna, you know, team up with your funding company and do some type of 500K giveaway. In case you guys are asking, I've had that question asked plenty of times through emails. Hey Don, I'm interested in work you do. I like what you do for Instagram, taking, you know, live trades, whatever. But would you be interested in joining our funding company and you know, recommend it to your people? How much bet on gold? Like 1 pip. Like right now, it's gonna be right now spreads are 1 pip. Can I see your previous breakdowns? Bond left of my screen, bond right of my screen. Maybe not 6:40 today. Maybe today more of 7 a.m. But yeah, that's the previous breakdown. Tyke Mason. Hey Dom, when does the 4 account close? 1:59 a.m. 1:59 p.m. Don't you wash your faces early? Yeah, I already showered this morning. Showered, grab a coffee. Did all of that. That's why I came late. I started to stream up and then went to go grab a coffee and then came back. Oh, I have food too. I forgot. I didn't eat my food yesterday, chat, because you guys you know what happened yesterday. Anyways, these are like the lights are on. Can also be used in the UK with no commissions on gold. You know, Simon, you can go on bluemarkets.com and check if your country is available. I think UK is good. I think you guys are good in the UK though. I think they're regulated in Australia or I don't even know. Australia, I think. Why is this camera always defocused when I move back? Yo, is that a Prada shirt, Paul? I can't even tell.
What, the shirt I have on right now?
Yeah.
Nah.
Oh, that's a Prada triangle. There Wix is. Not taking up space anymore. Nice.
What?
You took up space for no reason. You came to the streams just to have a black screen.
A waste of life, taking up space for no reason. No, I hopped on and then I saw nothing was doing and I went to take a shower. Like,
So you pulled a me. That's what I did this morning too. I took up the intro for like 15 minutes.
you see? You see? Hypocrite.
Hypocrite.
What happened to your nano lights?
They fell off. But today they'll be back on.
I got you. Let me know if you don't need them. I'll give you my address.
Alright.
I'll make a baby shark out of your seahorse.
Yo, that is the. Look at this. Like, oh, this. Okay, yo, take this in chat. This is 1 hash brown. How does 1 hash brown have this much oil? Nah, like they drenched this in oil. Like it's 1 hash brown.
You
And
took
like,
that shit straight out the fire and just put it right in the bag.
bro, like 1 hash does not take that much oil.
That's crazy. You gonna have a little belly. You're gonna be skinny fat. If you keep eating that. You'd be
Well,
skinny, 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 and like an
it was a
extra.
breakfast sando in English in a thing I hash from, but that hash brown had so much oil. You have the spoon ready for what? Oh, for the thing. Yeah. Here comes the comments. Live alone, die alone, live alone. Live alone, die alone.
True love shouldn't be this complicated.
You gotta go from brother, or does the market not allow that? I gotta go.
Marcos doesn't allow that.
Marco's got a girl. I think we all have girls. Paul has one, Wix has one, Marcos has one. I think everyone, I have one. I think we all.
Yeah, we're pretty smart when it comes to the market, but we're dumb as shit when it comes to personal life. Like all of us have girls. Like we're fucking shot. I don't know what we're doing. It's like these guys come on here and they're like, oh, they're like, this guy knows what he's talking about. He's pretty smart. Oh, he's got a girlfriend? Fucking dumbass. Turn it off. Turn it off. Lucas, can you sing for us, please? Sing for them, baby. That means I'm a genius? What? You don't know any women. Brilliant.
I can never hear anyone in the background. Like, what do you expect? People be yelling at 6:30 a.m. in the morning? I might just pick that stuff up. Like, maybe if I go to like this. You guys might hear me like stuff, but
Yeah, I hear you're like swallowing food.
you know, like, yo, me in a trade. Yes, you hear everything from this. Like, you can hear me like everything.
I don't know about that butt cheek noise, but I made the mistake of having a girl once or twice. So see, it's not a mistake. It all depends on the time of year and where you live. Might not be a mistake. You're just filming ASMR. And now some popping noises, some popping noises.
Why are you guys laughing? So funny.
Yeah. All I'm saying is we got 12 minutes till the 8 a.m. candle.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Trading ASMR? What do you guys want me to do? Eat? Eat on stream?
USD?
Remember that video? Where is it? I think the last hit chat. I don't know where he got the sound from, but that was mad funny. Yeah. Hey guys, how do I get the trade journal? I switched my journal in chat. Yeah, link. I don't think anyone's done ASMR trading. Is there ASMR trading on YouTube? Let's take a look.
ASMR 30.
Hello everybody, welcome. Okay, I'm clicking off this video, bro. That's a real video. That's a whole channel.
What do? They just whisper?
Hi. Alright, how's it going, everybody? This video, I want to take a look at some stocks for something.
No way.
I'd punch this guy in the face if he was next to me.
No way. That's insane.
Whispering stocks.
What the fuck?
What the?
It's like
Yeah, if you guys go on Twitch and search up ASMR, like, bro,
if
that's
you don't
like
have headphones and you don't want your wife to know you're trading. Boom. Have the motherfucker whisper to you. What's he talking about? Nothing, baby.
This guy said you don't want to know about your trading. Oh man.
But that's like weird. That's like somebody speaking in your ear, right? I would be sitting here in the market and going like, "Shut the fuck up already."
Like,
Shut up.
ASMR food is whatever, like, but like someone speaking to you like that is just weird to me.
Yeah.
It's weird. I don't know. What's going on, everybody? You guys hear that? The lawnmower?
It's like fucking scary, dog.
That's crazy. It picks everything up. Oh man. You hear roaches? Though this morning I was walking from home with Timmy's. I saw a bird just like it was playing around with those one of those bugs that like during the summer it makes that little sound like the buzz sound.
The crickets.
Maybe a cricket, yeah, probably a cricket, yeah. It was playing around a cricket, and all I heard was a loud cricket sound. I'm like, where's that coming from? And it was a bird.
Damn, homie got pigeons.
I was like,
and
hey yo,
crickets,
bird,
like,
get away from me.
got pigeons and crickets like Crips and Bloods.
A bee? No, not a bee. It's a cricket. What's that? Wasn't this the word word? No, we're not. Was it this?
No, it's six letters.
It was like black and like silver.
Black and silver. That's a BMW. Here, a cricket.
How much did you just spread on blueberry? 0.5 to 1 pip. Yes, sir. Right now it's 0.8 pips, 0.7. GG looks clean on the fake out. Yeah, see that, Wix? Or you see that, Wix? Wix
I
and
see
Paul?
that, Wix. Why you didn't take it?
No, the 1 hour, the 1 hour. Yeah. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Gold if it closes like this and be kind of ugly the next 1 hour candle. Unless it moves now for an extra like 20 pips, like it's gonna be very ugly this candle. Closing bullish, no bottom wick right there. Weird.
I don't like the daily having no bottom.
Yeah, I don't like the daily as well. It's kind of ugly.
I'm surprised people aren't complaining
What happened yesterday?
about the GJ.
Oh.
About not being in a GJ trade right now.
Well, remember what happened yesterday? They still asked me for FOMC stream today.
Nah.
I forgot what happened yesterday, honestly. Short memory.
Yeah, I have a really short memory.
What happened yesterday?
I don't
Yeah.
remember.
I don't remember, man. Just
Did I miss something?
Wait, so when did you come back from vacation?
Not really.
Yesterday morning.
Oh yeah, you know your week starts today, you know. Don't worry.
It's nothing.
Nothing happened yesterday.
The 30 on GJ was really nice too. But that's what I'm saying. I'm surprised people aren't fucking. Why are you not in this 30? We already had a fake up.
Oh, I told him earlier, I think too. I think because one, there was not enough of bottom wick on the current candle. And then two, I think overall, like earlier, I said I was waiting for buys above here on that 30 or either a 1 hour closure above 8 a.m.
Don called out the analysis on GJ. If someone want to take it, oh yeah, I'm sure he did. I'm sure Don did his 6:30 or 7 a.m. analysis.
But even if I do that, like, people still, why didn't you get in? Like,
Well, that's the point I'm making. I'm sure you did your analysis, but none of that matters.
none of it matters anymore.
It's irrelevant. Looks like a shark is swimming in your bed and shit. It looks like a shark fin.
Speaking blue. Sim rig, bro. Talking about those race sim rigs.
Yeah.
100K. You might as well
Yeah,
buy
there's like-
yourself a nice car.
Where, like, fuck you doing? Just park the shit in your house? And
No, I
room,
mean,
room.
but those sim rigs are like for like actual drivers. They spend.
They
like,
practice, right?
Yeah.
Like real. They were for F1 type shit. Like I'm pretty sure
Yeah.
Hamilton out there goes and.
The only sim rig that's worth money is the one that actually moves. Where the
Yeah,
seat
you get the
moves with
motion. You get the motion rig under it.
I goes like,
No, it goes up, down, back, forward,
Yeah.
left, right. Like it leans, rolls, everything.
Yeah.
yo, F1 training is intense. Like you ever seen that?
Yeah, bro.
Oh yeah, you're into
'Cause
F1,
You gotta prepare your whole body for like G forces and all that.
bro. It's dangerous, right?
Yeah.
This is what I look like. Never mind. Boosted media on YouTube.
So that's what the guy in the gym was doing. Training all that shit. Fuck out of here. Be strapping on a fucking football helmet to their shit and a fucking strap to the fucking face mask, and then they're fucking over there
Honestly,
Yeah, it's-
pumping neck.
so some of you guys be
Wild.
training for FOREX like this, man.
Word. Be like, what the fuck are they doing? You know?
Yeah, this is intense.
Just go through the Air Force training. Why are they showing this guy working out like crazy right now and he looks tiny?
A lot of it is like endurance.
It's yeah, crazy. What I check out again, MM? Boosted media. Their first video. I'm not gonna watch this video, MM. It's 8 minutes long of what?
Rims.
Oh, this one. This is sim racing. Is this sim racing?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But like, how? What's this over here? Like, where's the? Are these fake? Like, what?
What? Yeah, that's all sim.
Isn't this real racing?
No, that's
No, that's all sim.
But like, so like, are these windows or?
No, that's just one screen.
Oh, it's a screen. But like, what
Yeah.
wheel looks so real?
It's all one
Oh
screen.
yeah, it
bro.
is sim. It is. I can tell it's sim. Yeah.
We have 3 minutes till.
3 minutes, guys.
ADM.
Damn, that's crazy. Oh, it's 100K. Okay, you know what? That doesn't sound too bad anymore. Now that I see it, I kind of get it now.
That looks pretty insane right there. And then imagine you're using 2 more screens on the sides, and then you could completely see all around you.
Yeah, so the full setup is normally like 4 screens. You have 3
4
around you and
screens.
1 up top.
These are his actual hands, right?
Yeah. And then
Oh,
they started integrating VR into it now.
Yeah, VR is dope.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Yo,
it is.
Can you guys can you guys get a chick on the at the shotgun seat with me? In VR. Using backwards projector.
Looks fun. I had a mini sim rig. Probably like not 100K, but maybe like $300. Had a
It's fucking
G,
PlayStation.
I had a G29 Pro. Honestly, like yeah, it literally feels the same as driving a real car. No, you can say so, right, Paul?
Yeah.
Like a G29 rig.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Those things are pretty realistic.
Yeah.
I tried
That's
telling
like-
someone.
That's like OG. That's like,
Yeah, it's like the base level.
yeah, when all that shit first started coming out.
My boy Chevy Malibu had no power steering. That shit was wild. You need to get some speed or use 2 hands to fucking turn the wheel hard as shit.
My first car had no power steering.
Yo, what was your first car?
1998 Civic Si.
Oh, that's a nice car. That's a Fast and Furious car.
Yeah, no power steering. And you gotta turn, you have to put your hands like under the steering wheel and just like yank that motherfucker.
Yeah, press with your feet against the edges, right? Against the opposite edges in order just to get some fucking grip.
Bro.
You know, my first car was a 1990 Nissan Maxima.
Yo,
That
yo, kind of close. Sorry.
Oh,
I just had to.
yeah. GJ.
Yeah. Gonna wait for a bottom wicker chat, and then we'll have buy stops.
And then we'll have break of the previous candle high.
Yep, and then we'll have that rough day.
And then we're gonna have a bunch of people complaining, how come you got activated and we didn't?
Yep, and then watch it close half at 10 pips.
Yeah. Oh wait, let me finish my story. It was quick. I had a 1990 Nissan Maxima, and the fucking seat belts in that bitch used to open and close by themselves as soon as you open the door.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, that shit was way ahead
Oh,
of its
there's
time.
another car that came out with that too.
I slammed the
That was
door
like
and it
old
used to just.
car.
It almost caused me to fail my road test. That's the car I took my road test on.
Mm-hmm.
And the guy that got in it, the seatbelt closed on him as soon as he got in the car, and it like strangled him. He's all like this, and he's like, "Can you let this thing go?" I was like, "Yeah, you gotta open the door." So I had to get out, open the door for him, undo the seatbelt, and he just rode around with me without a seatbelt.
That's funny.
He's like, he couldn't wait to get out my car and just give me a check. Like, yeah, you passed. Go, go destroy somebody else.
How big is this gold here? 6 pips, nice. Yeah, GJ here chat. I probably gonna wait for a bottom wick. Like, probably want to tap like 164, 930, 950 minimum. Maybe even like 164, 900 to be exact. But anywhere around there would be clean as for bottom wicks here. And then buys to fill the range here is what I'm looking for. So this is what we're expecting here for this 1 hour candle. Let me just draw it out. Since you guys have me on mute. Something like this. Alright? Something like that would be ideal for a GG candle. Gold's not bad on 30. The 1 hour candle is where it gets kind of ugly. I believe the 1 hour are gonna say had no bottom wick, so I wouldn't be surprised if the candle comes down, breaks lows, and just drives back up. Respecting the support, no, but it could break here. It's getting very close. 30 minute was clean. Oh, GJ no, didn't break the highs yet, no. Yeah, but at this point, like with us pushing out first, you're gonna have to probably have passes on break the highs instead of the flip. But
it's pretty solid though, I figure, with the 8 a.m. volume here.
Yeah.
So, I mean, if we break the highs, not that it's solid. If we break the highs, chances are it's gone. So if you don't get in there, you know, have this as part of your plan. Wait for a steeper wick and then grab some liquidity. And when it starts actually breaking the highs, you'll have a lot more confidence that we're going to reach the next resistance after we've grabbed all that liquidity. Otherwise, if we just break now, start riding up, might not be enough liquidity to take us up to, let's say, 165.4. So then it might come back down, re-break the lows, create a steeper wick. Wouldn't you just want to be out of all of that, all of those possibilities, and just wait for your own, you know, just have one thing that you're concentrating on, and that's the steep wick and break a high. Steep wick, break a high.
Yes, sir.
You don't get both, you don't get anything. But at this point, if it creates a steep wick and rejects off off a previous level, off a previous support, and it starts breaking the highs, and it does this right now at 8 a.m. when we have major volume coming in, you should be pretty confident in any position that you're going to take at that point.
Yeah, this trade here would be just, you can say, a fake out on the 1 hour and using the break of the previous higher low. So it's gonna be fake out, which is a 100% win rate this year for us, 18 trades taken. Break of previous higher low, which is a 68 with 33 trades, and then the 1 hour time, which is 84.35%. Overall the trade here, fake out, break of previous higher low off the 1 hour. It's a 100% winning trade off the 1 hour. So fake out 1 hour. Previous higher low, 100% winning trade. All right. So far for the year, I think all fake outs are overall 100% for the year, but yeah, not bad. Previous higher low, maybe puts the odds down a bit, but I mean, overall, it's still a high winning trade, right? But yeah, that's gonna be the trade, and then also it's gold too, or it's GJ 77.27, 95, but not bad. 87.7. But yeah, I just need a bottom wick first. That's not enough for me. If it drives here, it drives here. I could peace out GJ. I can care less, but gonna need exactly what I want, which is a steeper bottom wick. This course is everything for no nothing. I recommend going through like a bit of baby piss first, man. It doesn't teach you about what is forex. Well, how does the foreign exchange work? You know, stuff like that. It doesn't really explain that stuff. It's more so strategize. You need some bit of experience, maybe. But it teaches strategy from start to finish. Doesn't teach you forex start to finish. Yeah, rediscipline there. You know why I have the rediscipline? Because I don't want to lose. Me taking a trade here right now on GJ wouldn't be part of my plan. Would not be part of my plan. Because I was waiting for a steeper wick. And we always do. Me taking a trade here would basically be me disrespecting my own playbook. Right? It's basically me saying, well, fuck the playbook. I'm just gonna take positions here just because I want to. It's gonna be more so of emotional entries, not actually technical net entries that we have taken in the past, right? So it's like, what's the point of having a spreadsheet and having a playbook when you're not gonna follow it? Makes no sense. Are you selling gold? No, not yet. No sells, no buys just yet. Waiting for probably 8:30 candle. Maybe Comex open. Comex open might be interesting today. How many of you guys feel FOMO right now? You guys are like, oh my god, this driving. Are you selling a playbook? It's free. ControlFX.com. Go on ControlFX.com. Go to playbook and then just sign up. Free sign up, no charge, and then just it's literally just your email getting added to the whatever, and then you have access to the playbook for free. Just PDF downloads. That's it. Years and years making this playbook too, chat. Like, this is a 4-page PDF we made. Spent years, like, because first you can't just make one, you have to sample size it first. We sample sized it and then we made it, and then now it's just like, these are all the steps I answer off of this chart right here, the playbook chart. Why don't you play Warzone? Apex is kind of hidden right now. Muggsy, what up? I mean, I'm making 35% per week on average from trading. Is that a good target? Don't target. Never target. Never have a target in FX. Ever. Just take what the market gives you, because the market condition changes every day. You might have a 1,000 pip range today. You might have a 20 pip range tomorrow. If you were to aim for 5% every day, for example, how are you gonna make 5% on a 20 pip range versus a 100 pip range? Doesn't make any sense. That's why you never want to have a target.
You're gonna over risk, and when you over risk, you're gonna take up L's and set yourself back further.
Nav.
So, you know, play stupid games, win stupid prizes.
I don't target pips
you're
any day.
also adding like unnecessary emotions.
And pressure, yeah.
Yeah.
What's the point? There's already enough. Trading takes up a lot of your emotions already. Well, if you wanted to. So what's the point adding more to that, right? John, you ever try to find an account? No, sir. No, sir. Gold didn't break the lows. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. I wanted to break the lows first and then drive up here, but guess not. Low off there. Nice. So no buys for me, chat here. Again, gold buys for me, sadly, is going to be above 1724. maybe above 1722 if you get 30-minute candle closure above. But no buys for me, no sells for me, nothing for me. This thing came down, didn't create a stable wick. Lovely. Looks like we're not getting into GG to the chat just yet.
I'm back in 10 minutes.
You leaving?
10 minutes.
Damn, Wix is
BRB.
leaving. Take up more screen space.
Jesus. You just drank a lot of haterade today, huh?
Nah, you're leaving the screen, right? You have to turn on onion. We did take the onion trades. We got it like yesterday, I think. Or guess not. Oh, took it on the 19th. Took a loss though. Yeah, we take onions. Took like 13 onions this year. Not a lot. Not a lot of them come often, but I mean, you can argue and say onion could be sometimes a fake out as well. Kind of depends on how you view it on time frame. Comics will be sad today. I think it's gonna be tough. Yeah. I mean, we can come down for comics. Would be interesting. Depends on how this 15-minute count closes versus the 5. You find any interest in the Asian session? No, I was at a buy stop at like 9 p.m. on GJ, but we deleted it. It was I think it was up here, but this thing never flipped. Yeah, right here off this 1 hour, this thing never flipped, never broke the highs. We deleted it, and then we waited for New York, which is right now. You ever, do you always scalp trade breakups? Do you ever swing? We turn scalps into swings. We don't really swing. Sometimes I do swing off the weekly, but it comes down to how accounts look. Haterade. This guy really said haterade. Wix. What about gold? Darius, you gotta go back and watch the streams, Darius. You gotta go back at least, you know, typically if you ask me, here's a tip. I give a breakdown maybe every 30-minute candle, every 1 hour candle, maybe every 15-minute candle. So go to like the 45, 15, 30 mark, the 1 hour mark of every time on a stream. There should be a breakdown. This is why I think previous breakdowns is kind of useless. I give like maybe 1,000 a day. I enjoy watching you guys are bros. I haven't found success in scalping as much. Well, the point of the stream is to educate. Although we take trades live, it's mostly to educate. But you learn. You'll learn from the copying trades that way though. But then you get the hang of it. You'd be like, oh yeah, this is when he usually call a signal, right? And you getting that concept out is like basically you understand the strategy. Like, oh, this is when he enters the trade off of this candle closure, so I should expect something right now. Definitely learn, but you're condoning his new behavior? This guy, MM, bro. How is MM gonna get mod? Oh, I took a photo. Oops. I don't want to do that. I'm asking for your opinion, mate. I'm not copying nothing. I'm expecting to hit 30, then fall down to 07. What? You asked me what about gold, and I said there was a breakdown already. Huh? What? Huh? What the hell is Ninja Turn? Don't know what that is. Don't know what it is. Features? Figured it out. I don't know. I never did that features binary stuff. I no clue, man. I never touched that in my lifetime. The only thing I touched outside of FX was maybe crypto. Probably crypto, but never did any type of ninja feature, past, present stuff, you know. Is he going to have a YouTube channel? He has a channel to speak on, but he doesn't have a channel. I don't think he has videos. Who is Uncle Ted? That's the next question, right? The market maker. I am using OBS. You watch Ninja from Twitch, Don? I didn't play Fortnite, so no. Ooh, 30-minute 15 flipping bullish on gold. Nice. Nice. Yeah, so this 15-minute count closed, chat. This 15 closed bullish back above this range here. So you can say, okay, well, with us closing bullish here, there's a high possibility that price may drive up to fill the top of the range here. You do have comics open here in about 2 minutes here. But this 15 did close bullish. So you can say as long as the previous 15 gets respected, this thing should likely drive to the top of the range. It comes down to how this 5 closes though. If this 5-minute candle in about 2 minutes here closes bullish, I'll say above this zone here, there's a high chance the next 5 likely will continue up. If not, we'll probably just range in the range. But comics should drive price up very nicely here today. That's kind of our homework here. Let's see if we're right again today or if we're gonna be incorrect. It's homework time. Yeah, how big was that candle there? Nice.
Are you still sample sizing comics open?
Yeah, we've been pretty accurate this month.
Okay.
I think maybe like one or two times we're around this month.
Mm-hmm.
Or overall, but yeah, I'm probably gonna sample size until next year.
Okay.
I think yesterday were on the day before we're on point. Yesterday was kind of tough. Just ranging.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sorry, no. Yesterday we're in a trade. We're in a trade for comics already. We're already in a trade, but it was before. It was at ADM.
Okay.
Yeah, the 1 hour closed a bit stronger today. For sure, I could be like not bad for positions. If it just closed above like 21 or something. But comics is a good, chat, because you have the comics open about 2 minutes here, and in 2 minutes, let's see what happens to price. But you have 10 minutes left for a 30-minute closure, so 30-minute candle should be interesting too. We may get positions today. I'll say a closure above here on 30-minute time frame would be ideal. Above 1722. That's what I can't want. 30 seconds. Let's see. Will price close above 22? Yeah, you're looking at probably like 24, 25 levels, 24, 23, 500 around those areas. Nice. Comics open, closed above. Should come down, create a bond waker. If not, this thing flips bullish. Likely should fill the range here at 24 here. No positions for me, chat. This is just part of my homework every day. but let's see if we're correct. If it can drive up, tap 24-ish levels, and then pull back for closure on 30-minute time frame and 9 minutes here above here, 9:30 is looking sweet for positions, or 8:30, sorry, because then we'll have something like this happen. We'll have a closure like this on 30 above the range, and then look left, we'll have clean traffic to drop up towards 1725 and so forth. And if you look at a 4-hour candle, I think the 4-hour candle may flip bullish before. 4-hour count today, if it closes respecting 22, we should have a nice 4-hour starter play at 9 a.m. too. So you have options here. You have that at 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. here. Decent. Well, it drove up. Didn't really tap 23,500. Can't just 22,200. Could be bottom wick. News intent. Yeah, very. You have a orange folder. How's life after going full time? Well, you guys have seen my life after going full time. Went full time in 2019 October. Yes, I've seen me almost every day since March 2022 or 2020. Sorry. Gold breaks the neckline of the double top. Come for the EMA rejection with the Bollinger Band crossover. Twenty-two years old. Sadly, you know, getting old here, chat. I started streaming and when I was 19. When I made this channel, I was 19. My first upload was when I was 19. Unfortunately, that's my best video. But yeah, 19 this date. My birthday was April 10, right? So I was turning 20 that year. And now I'm 22. So yes, I've seen me grown from 20 years old to 22. Going on a marathon? Sheesh. The marathon. Damn. Imagine. How fast is that? 0.25. What was it? 0.50 speed? Honestly, I speak up 0.50 speed, so you gotta go a little faster than that. A little slower. Yo, first stream W. Oh, is it Dan Korean Bonnewick? Did it flip here? I used to speak Vietnamese on stream back then. When was the first time I know about FOREX? Late 2018. You're not gonna get our closure, are you? 5 minutes. Oof. Chat, do I stream FOMC later? Or do I just chill? Be a very big FOMC day today. They're raised by like 0.25.
At least.
Last time, did we do a FOMC stream for June? No, June I did not do FOMC. I was on vacation, but May 4th we did. I think on May 4th, Ted was here if I'm not wrong. Okay. Okay. Pre-FOMC, there were 0 trades. Did I do a last streams day? I guess I didn't do a live stream. How about June? No, June was on vacation. It was maybe March 16th was the last FOMC. March 16th was on Tesla.
Session now has
Yeah.
to absorb that news, and they'll drive it and they'll continue it through, along with the fact that the European session has to also absorb that news as well in the later half of the morning. So if you get a really good entry right now, whether it's I always like to follow people who are on point so that I can sort of get like just a bit of information. And truthfully, you guys work a lot harder than I do now, right? Because I sort of set in my ways. I'm an old horse. So I always look to the younger generation to sort of give me insight into what's going on and like how things work, right? So that's why I like sort of hanging
I think I interested there.
keeping up with things. And then, you know, I go to another planet, like I go to Raj's planet, like, you know, Wicks Don't Lie, go over there for a bit, and I just sort of float around. It's great. Like,
Oh, we did take a position. Yeah, chat. I was able to secure half there. What do we get? 20, 10, 15? Close half? Yeah, I didn't hit break even after. Yeah, I remember that day. I remember that day. I remember that day. You guys entered, held. Remember. Want to choose indicators? I used to back in the good old days. I don't anymore. I just read price action now. Just read price action. 2 minutes left, you guys. First 30 closure. Do you think there's gonna be much volume after that FOMC? Yes. Usually how I trade FOMC. I don't really trade an FOMC candle. I wait for 2:30, 3 p.m. 3 p.m. we get your move. 2:30, 3 p.m. get your move, and then a continuation of the FOMC for the rest of the day. Stream? I don't know. I don't know if I'll stream chat. Guys, remember what happened yesterday? Kind of drained.
What happened yesterday?
None happened yesterday. Chat was just on one. Like, they were on one. Like, for some reason, they were just on one.
I gotta go watch the stream.
Yeah, it was. Watch it on your own, on your free time. Got some popcorn. Check GJ. I'm looking at GJ. It's current at Bonnewick, as we expected. Dun, 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 dun. GG Korean bond, we're still gonna enter. If I enter now, I'll have to be in a break of the highs, but the high went like the high tapped our advantage point, because the advantage point we had initially on GJ was like right here, right? It was to this resistance here, like 12 pips, and then price kind of tapped, I rejected. So we're entering the break of the highs with no advantage point is kind of tough. You do have gold here in 37 seconds here, chat, which isn't bad at all. I'm definitely down to take gold. I just need us to close above here. Let's see. Give it like 28 seconds here. Just need a top wick or a bottom wick first, and then you need a flip of the candle, and that'll be your buy stop. TP you're looking at here is probably going to be like average stop loss is going to be like roughly 26 pips. TP is going to be, I'll say, you can probably put up to here like at 17, 27-ish levels, I'll say. Probably have that resistance up there as a TP. I need a bottom wick first. So there we go. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have a buy stop right here on a buy stop here at 17. Let me just put this real quick in. Stop loss is the first. 1719 965. 965. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have a buy stop right here. If it breaks the lows, then we'll delete buy stops obviously, but buy stop's gonna be right here at 1722.469. Okay, on the flip of the candle.
Get the 1 hour.
Or basically 1722.500 on the dot. That's the buy stop. If it breaks the lows, then obviously like there's no positions. And looks like it may break 1 hour lows. Nope, not yet. Didn't break the lows. If it breaks the lows, we'll just delete and we'll move on to the next and delete it. Yeah, no buy stops. All right, cool. This is why I have the signals pre-typed here. I never enter it until it actually starts to flip because it's gonna be a waste of time after. Because you'll know if it's not a flip or not, right? So yeah, no buy stops there, no positions there. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to wait for maybe 9 a.m. here at this point. I'll say wait for the 9 a.m. candle to close in about 30 minutes here.
You had orange folder news as well.
Yeah, you had orange folder news there. How did it come out?
Positive.
The news is done. Spreads are back to normal.
Yeah.
Interesting.
For 2 minutes, I had spreads at like 3.5.
But now that it's breaking the lows, there's a high chance it has to drive down here, chat. But like the next closure you have, like, is at 845 candles on where you enter off of. And I'm not gonna enter off of just the breakout lows here. And yeah, gonna have to wait till 9 a.m. here, maybe 9:15, 9:30, because the first 9 a.m. candle's gonna open up, create the bottom wick, whatever, a top wick, and then usually gets done right around like 9:15, 9:30, and then you have NYC open. So that's your next position, 9:30ish levels or time. So just chill out, I guess. If you guys entered there on the when it kind of opened up, then I mean that's why we wait for bond wicks. That's why we wait for bond wicks all the time, right?
You said this yesterday. It's not as like the candle closures are key, but it's not as simple as waiting for candle closure.
No.
Put a lot of nuances together.
And no, just because one pair doesn't give me an opportunity, I'm not gonna go on another pair and look for opportunity. That's not how you trade. That's how you gamble. I'm not gonna go on GG here and look for positions now. There's nothing on GG as well. Like I spoke about it. You already tapped the advantage point. There's no point of entering a break of the highs anymore. It doesn't make sense to me. At this point, I might as well wait for the 4 candle close. Look at the 4 candle. If the 4 candle closes exactly as it is right now, this next 4 candle will be pretty tasty, man. Nice bullish candle going up to retest the highs like this. Pretty simple position to be in at 9 a.m. But 26 minutes, just chill out. Not much you can do. And gold sells and 4 candle as well. Lovely, same positions. Gold sells, gold GG buys at 9 a.m. But 26 minutes, a lot of time. Just go grab food or something. You know. Gonna eat my oily hash brown here. It's actually disgusting.
Bon appetit.
Actually gross. Actually disgusting, man. I don't even want to eat the hash brown anymore.
Bye. Enjoy the heartburn.
I'll enjoy it when I'm 80. Time to touch some grass? Yeah. Yeah, I gotta touch grass now. I don't know how people can miss a trade. When you plan for a trade, you never miss a trade. Right? Like right now.
It's coming.
like right now, you know the next trade is at 9 a.m. So you know for a fact that you have the next like 30 minutes here to do whatever you want to do. Grab food, grab lunch, and come back at 9 and then wait for the counter to close. I don't know how people leave at like 9 and expecting to you know, trade. Makes no sense. Leave it on after, bro. It's gonna get drenched.
I know people that will napkin their pizza. You ever met those?
Mm-hmm.
Or do you do that?
No.
You just grab a napkin and put it all over the pizza so it's not as greasy. I'm like, that's the whole point of pizza.
No, but when you have pizza that's like running with grease, that's a whole different ballgame.
I'm saying though, like, that's the whole point of pizza. You put some extra cheese on it, some grated Parmesan or something. You know what I mean? And then it'll dry it up. It'll absorb all the oil. But like, you're getting pizza. Like, I want it not healthy, but not this unhealthy. Like, that's the whole point. That's like the ultimate cheat meal. Wix, are you high right now? No. My state of mind should be irrelevant.
Yeah, did you see Lamborghini's yacht?
Yeah. Well,
Oh,
who?
That shit is
McGregor?
insane, yeah, bro.
Yeah, word. I make the weed high.
Single. I heard you fuck your girl. Do you ever get you high right now? Do you ever get nervous? Are you single? I heard you fuck your girl. Is it true? You getting money? You think the niggas you with is with you? And I say hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. What's your average RR? Negative. It has to be a negative 25 to 1 RR or else there's no trade taken.
Don needs some excitement. Like, he likes to give the market a head start. Don starts every trade in 15 pip drawdown just because it makes him feel better.
If it's not negative, I'm not taking it. It has to be negative RR. On top of that, it has to make the sound. And then I must see drawdown before I take positions.
All right, monsters, out of here. All of you, you little terrorists. I think my kids are hijacking my office right now. Sam, do me a favor, close the door. Thank you. Yo, I don't know. For all that talk of greasiness, eating that shit like is delicious.
This has no grease. It's the hash brown.
I see you enjoying the hell out of it and just taking a bite and smiling and chewing full speed. Full speed ahead. Wix, how do you avoid eating a lot while high? Well, because I am a responsible human being and I go to the gym, and then when it takes me an hour and a half or longer to lose like a pound of fat, I don't know, or just a little bit of fat, it's like, nah, I'm not gonna eat that bread. Like I say, even in trading, at some point, you just get sick and tired of your own shit. Where like, I'll go grab a sandwich and I'll be like, nah, it's too much bread in it, and I won't eat it. Like, I'm at that point now. Like, I won't eat extra calories. Oh, hold on, kids.
Yo, Wix, take over. I'm about to finish this food.
All right. 8:40. Oh, we got the last 15 of the 4 hour coming up. So nothing here till 9 a.m. at least. Wix 9, you eat rice? No. But my car, you know how many pounds of rice it's pushing? Wix 1 saying don't eat a lot of calories, but have a fast metabolism. Here's the thing. You shouldn't eat a lot. You should eat often. And you should eat quality, nutrient-rich food. That's what you should eat instead of like shakes or, You should eat actual food, and not just garbage food, but food full of nutrients. You know what I'm saying? Don's giving a thumbs up. You got a ricer? Did when I was younger. How long you been growing your dreads? I wish I had that sound effect. I guess we'll never know. After smoking, I'll be eating. There you go. After smoking, I'll be eating everything. Yeah, but wait till you got kids and you start eating everything, and then you're gonna have a lot of angry little munchkins walking around blaming you for all the food that's gone. Like, you can't just be eating everything. They're smoking, I'll be eating everything. Maybe you shouldn't be smoking. Like, this isn't for everybody. Just like, I'm the outlier, right? I'm the, like, when people say like smoking's the crutch or smoking weed's a crutch, I can see it, like, but they're not talking about me. You're talking about the 90% of people that smoke. You do natural bodybuilding. No, I believe you need to eat often and then eat at the right times in order for everything to work together. Working out and eating, like you have, like, it's timing. A lot of it is timing. You ever see people in the gym that go to the gym every day but never get bigger? That's because their diet and their timing with their exercise is off. You be putting in as much time as you want in the gym, you'll never grow unless you're doing everything correct. Quit smoking after 13 years straight, feel better. Yeah, I used to smoke a pack and a half a day at Newports. Like, that shit would make you cough up blood. The shit had fiberglass in it.
But I used to smoke Newports.
I woke up one day and I just said, that's it, I'm done. And I never touched the cigarettes. But I smoke weed every day. You make me want to quit smoking weed. I mean, fuck, quit? Yeah, it's like, what's your body weight? I'm 162 right now. I was 182 in my peak. Like,
you like it?
Yeah, I lost some weight.
Wait, how tall are you?
I was out 5'10".
Okay.
I'm on that fine line between 5'9" and 5'10", so obviously I'm gonna say 5'10". You like eating before bed? No, it's terrible. You sleep like shit, and then if you're typically what you eat before bed is a low glycemic index food, which means it takes a lot longer to leave your body, and it'll just get stored in your belly. And like,
yeah, I order McDonald's at 4 a.m. in the morning when I wake up.
I used to do that. I used to come home at like 2 a.m. and go to McDonald's in Brooklyn when I lived in Brooklyn, and just go to McDonald's down the block and get like a Big Mac meal at like 2 a.m. Like, this shit was no good. I have a few extra McChickens and like, at some point you're feeling like shit.
Yeah, I actually can't eat McDonald's anymore.
I'm telling you.
How old are you then?
This is between like 16 and 25. Like, and it was weird. I thought I was gonna move. What part of Brooklyn did you grow up in? Coney Island.
Oh, you from
Surf Avenue. Surf Ave.
Isn't that New Jersey?
Coney Island? No. That's okay. So Coney Island.
Yo, I'm a Canadian, by the way. So you gotta speak to me in terms of Canadian.
In terms of Canadian?
Yeah.
Canadian, eh?
Rate the sandwich 1 out of 10?
The Cyclone. That's the scariest fucking ride ever. That shit's been around since like 1912. I don't know.
The sandwich 1 out of 10? Honestly, as long as it fills me, it's fine. I can care less for your taste. But 4 out of 10? What can you expect? It's fast food. It's Timmy's. Why do you guys call me on Discord chat? Like, why does everyone else call me on Discord? I'm not gonna. I mean, I don't just answer a phone call on Discord as if like, hey, what's up? Hey, I'd like to purchase a course. Okay, controlfx.com. All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, Don, nice to meet you. Hey, what's up? What are you doing today? Playing Apex. Oh, right. I had a question. What are your thoughts on this chart here? Like, bruh. You know, I was playing Apex yesterday. I'm telling yo, look at the chat. Look at the chat for Apex. It was actually at one point. It was at 4 p.m. I think, right? Like, someone asked this question at 4 p.m. and I'm like, brother, we need you. We need to touch grass. I was not here, but like 4 p.m. he asks me, "No, I'm in a NASBUY. What do I do here?" I'm like,
you're gonna get flooded with calls right now.
oh no, not that you brought that up. Yeah, I have it on mute anyway, so like, I mean, do not disturb, so it doesn't matter.
That's crazy. 4 a.m.
Oh, 4 p.m. yesterday. My bad. 4 p.m.
Yeah, 4 p.m.
Oh, look at gold. 32 minutes. Brooklyn shithole. I love Brooklyn, man. I would move there, to be honest. I'll move to Brooklyn.
Here's the thing. If you've never been to New York, people have like this glorified view of New York, and it ain't nothing like that, right? You've seen it in movies. It's like, fine, you want to go to New York, live in the city, and not have a car and enjoy yourself, walk everywhere. Great. But like, I grew up in Brooklyn. I know New York. I know Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Staten Island. I know Long Island. I know everything like back of my, you know, fucking
loopy
my fingers here, and it's like that shit is not it. Like, you believe me, I've lived in New York for 20 years. I grew up over there. I grew up in Marcy, college, everything, and the shit is that most people want to get the fuck out of New York.
Honestly, same. It's like the same take as like Toronto in a way. Like Toronto and Brooklyn are like kind of similar in a way in terms of city and just like people think like Toronto's a shit, and it's like the same shit. I don't know. I'm basically if I move to New York, it's like me going to like another Toronto, just fucking Americans.
But it'll be dope for you because it's all new and shit, and there's a lot you can check out. But over 20 years, I've been everywhere, from the most exclusive places to the most ratchet gutter places, and like, quality of life is not what it is where I'm at right now. I don't know. I can't speak for you. I just know for myself personally. I've based my existence on my quality of life.
This is where you grew up?
Yeah. So you see those buildings behind it?
Yeah.
That's where I grew up.
So you're by the beach?
Right near the beach, boy.
What the fuck y'all said? Bro.
Because that shit is the truth, yo. That's why I got an anchor on my.
Yo, what's the nicest part in New York?
Nicest part of New York?
Yeah.
Probably go to Long Island, to like the Hamptons.
Is that like upstate?
It depends. You could go to Westchester. I don't know.
How's the beach in New York?
That's it. Okay, so you see that picture to the before? This is the same exact picture.
This one?
That shit, yeah, like, no, the one you were looking at before with the rides.
I don't, all before, yeah.
Before you said, oh, this is where you're from?
Yeah.
Now look, this is basically just same picture, just a different view. And it's all gray. And like, this is not how it looks like. This is like, they picked like 1 block radius.
Is this the water?
And look, like, it's the water, yeah, but
at least it's
like,
clear. You want to see Toronto water?
No. This is filtered beyond belief right now.
Actually, no, this is not Toronto water as well. This is Toronto water right here. This right here, this right here is Toronto water. This muddy ass water.
That water you just looked at connects to the Hudson. You think the Hudson is fucking clear? This shit is black. Like, you put your hand in it and like,
bro, you know,
I don't know, a dead body will fucking grab.
There's a lake in Toronto. You can, so you know how you have those film cameras, right? You can develop photos. You can develop photos using the Toronto water. It's actually crazy. Like, that's how nasty the water. Yeah, that's how nasty the water in like this lake in Toronto is.
Word, all those Brooklyn pics have filters. I don't know.
I mess with Brooklyn though.
Yeah, there's a lot of people from New York here. Look, Flatbush, fucking yeah. A lot of people. A lot of you shop at King's Plaza. I know it.
Kings Plaza. I think I've been there. Yeah, I've been here. Honestly, my Airbnb looks something like this. To be honest, one of these houses.
There's a really dope pizzeria over there under the Brooklyn Bridge.
I mess with Brooklyn, man. I actually mess with Brooklyn.
But you know, honestly, like right now, Brooklyn, like they built, because downtown Brooklyn used to be like all jail cells and fucking court, and now built it up, and like you go past downtown into like Williamsburg, and they got a lot of like up and coming. It's become like Soho, exactly. It's become like a little village for Brooklyn. The Village used to be dope. You go to New York, go to the Village by Houston Street. That's where they got all the comedy clubs, all that shit.
So Soho is like Manhattan. This is Manhattan?
Yeah.
Nah, I'll be living in Marcy, man. You know.
Queensbridge, that's where you gotta go.
One bedroom is like 4K, and I mean that's like Toronto. Couldn't you expect?
New York overcrowded, 100%. I used to show up at home like after a club, and it's been overcrowded since like 40 years ago. But now it's got worse and worse and worse. And I just come home from a club, just sit on the street in the car and sleep there because there's no parking.
And it's like, this is like Toronto, man. This is a little room right here. This little apartment. It's like two, three. That's just like an apartment alone. You can't pay for food and all of that. That's like a good. Just spend a good 4K a month on that in one bedroom, living by yourself. It's actually insane.
That's where the hot dog eating contest is. Nathan's.
4K CAD's like 2.5K USD. Yeah. It's like 3.9 around there. You do FOREX, right? FOREX. That's what FOREX is.
Nah, we're a medium. Hey,
Morning, guys. How you guys doing?
What's the deal?
Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me? Yeah.
What's going on?
The rent is crazy in Toronto.
It's actually disgusting.
Yeah.
Back of your room, the wallpaper, it looks like a children's like medical office.
Yeah, that's my son's room though.
Like that's where I would take kids. Looks like a waiting room for a kid's medical office.
My wife.
Where's all those slides on the wall? Turn the camera. I know you got some.
We got some.
Show me the TV. You got Frozen playing right now? Tell me there's Frozen on TV right now.
Downstairs.
Show me the waiting room. Show me how many kids in that waiting room right now.
Wait.
The whole gang. Now we're missing Marcos. We're missing a lot of people.
Yeah, Big's not here. Marco's not here.
Yeah.
I haven't seen T-Biggs in a while. He's good?
He's chilling. He's just
getting big. He's getting ready for Vancouver.
I don't know if he's coming.
Like this one a little
What is this? MM?
bit more.
I'm sure. Okay, that one hit right away.
Yeah, that one has a little bit of a kick.
You think so?
So, what inspired you to become more involved with charity?
Trump.
Oh, I
I
can't
need
hear
you
it.
to do me a favor.
Anything.
I need you to shut the fuck up.
Got it. Alright, so it's next sauce.
Is this the worst one?
I'm out of beer.
It was awful.
Keep talking, it's cool. I'm just gonna pour the milk right into it.
Alright, so we're getting into serious territory.
Oh, God!
She got her hand up.
So it seems
Is this the first wing?
like your ex-husband has been supportive
Nah, I
of
think
you.
it's
And fuck that motherfucker.
lying.
So things are not
She's
great.
Good
done
one,
with that.
Sean. Would you go to fucking school? That asshole had cheated on me on being on your stupid ass show, getting my fucking face melted off, eating these little tiny spicy pieces of shit, with blowing my fucking shorts out on fucking national television.
It's a YouTube channel.
I don't give
Is this real?
Yeah.
Bruh. Honestly, I'll be the same, to be honest. First wing in, I'm done. I'm done, so. You eat spicy?
First time she tells me shut the fuck up, I'm tossing that table.
Hey, this is my show.
I'm flipping that table.
You do
She's
what
getting
I-
a wing. She's getting a wing and a forehead. Up.
Oh, we have 4 minutes, guys. This thing's moving quick. Gold is dropping. Oh my god, gold is dropping, guys. Gold. Don, gold's melting, Don. It's melting, like it's melting so much that you have to take a position. Yo, chat. Let's eavesdrop a little bit. I don't think they'll know. Let's see what they're talking about over here. Just a little bit eavesdropping, you know. Mute this audio. This is some eavesdropping. Copyright. Set me up. Can't do that.
Obviously, she's acting. We get it. We're just making fun of it.
But Don, the 5-minute candle, like, it closed below the range.
Melting.
Do you see the time right now? 8:46 chat. 9 a.m.
8:40. 8:56.
8:56.
Sorry.
Alicia Keys' name is not really Alicia Keys. Well, there's a lot of mentors out there that don't have their real names. That group be vibing. I know they be vibing. I can't even hear, like, oh, maybe I can turn the music down. Okay, hold on. Let me try now.
Just turn it off. Just turn it off. If it, I want to turn it off if he wants to join.
Yeah, turn the.
I don't know how to turn it off. Yeah.
Just mute the bot. Just mute the bot.
I turned it off already.
Oh,
Yeah.
You got your like big admin, man. You can just fucking kill it.
What up? What's going on?
Hello.
What up?
We just vibing here. You waiting
Yeah,
for?
yeah, it's talking shit in here.
Yeah, loads of shit, bro. All about you, Don. All about you.
I was wondering.
We say how it's your fault that we lose all our
trading
trades.
channel.
Man, this guy, dog.
You know YouTube can't hear
Trust
you.
me, just like
I
the
did
whole
that
chat.
shit on my stream for like 2 hours, just talking to nobody.
Yesterday's trade
People
was
were
a
like, "Who you
W.
talking to?" I'm talking to people on.
Bro,
Alright, I catch you on stream. Brother. That's lit in there. That's cool, man. They just have a group. They come in here every day and they talk in that chat. They're like, yo, I don't gotta pay for the Zoom call. I might as well join the Discord and just talk on there.
That's pretty good. That's what the channel's about. Right?
I don't know. It's too much shit happening in my ear right now. I gotta exit. There's like 8 people talking at the same time.
You can listen there for real. Does someone share a screen there, or only mods can do it, right? Only mods can do it.
I got in there. I opened the door and someone was like, "Oh, Wix is here," and I was like, "Oh shit, shut the door."
Cool, though.
Shut the.
Ooh, 4-hour candle on gold. GJ 4-hour candle as well. We may get 4-hour entries here. Let's see what we got going on here in the next minute and a half. This range going down is 40 pips, maybe even 50 pips. At that point, might as well drag it down to 60 pips. 18, 12, 17, 12 here next.
So what you're saying is?
What I'm saying is day highs in a
There's a
break.
chance.
We flip bearish here. 4 count entries. Runners. But Don, this is before FOMC. You should not be trading right now. This is not a good trade.
Yeah, I love how you know the reactions from the crowd beforehand.
Hey man, just same thing every day, you know.
Falling back into that previous range.
We just need a bottom wick here, because if you get no bottom wick, we're chalked. It's over. Get no positions here. Yeah, pull back. Pull back. Just a little bit. Pull back. 3. Okay, there you go. Nice.
What?
Nice. Yeah, chat. You need a top wick here, though. You need a top wick here for show. Because you can answer off. You can say it's a 1-hour entry or 4-hour entry. Either way, clean. I'm looking for a top wick since it's a 4-hour candle.
1720.
Yeah, like 17, 17, 21, 17, 20. Anywhere look left there, anywhere in these zones here to the left minimum. The moment price taps into these levels here to the left, or not over there, sorry, over here, I'll place a sell stop. All right, and we'll have it on my screen as always, and I'll let you guys know exactly how I manage a trade, blah 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 blah, all that good stuff.
Just give them the stop loss on blueberries. This way they can't talk shit.
Yes, I'll give them the exact price on blueberry, the exact price on Wanda, because you know, where's my spoon at? I got it here.
Open up.
Yeah, it's just the bro, it's just the 1 hour closure back into the range here. You can say it's a 1 hour fake out / the 4 hour fake out as well. They're both fake outs on a 1 hour and a 4 hour candle, so that's what the trade is. But yeah, you're looking at 9 a.m. here. You're looking at what day is it today? 27. This month flew by quick, man. Summer's almost over. Jeez.
Look at the 4 hour. Oh yeah, well my 4 hour broke the previous 4 hour low.
Wait, we're using the current kind of high. Oh, first kind of high. No, broke the lows already. Yeah, current higher low. So it's gonna be current higher low off of the. What's the win rate on the 1 hour and 4 hour time from this year? 4 hours 76. 1 hour is 62. 1 hour high is enough. We can upgrade the 4 hour a little bit. Let's base off the 4 hour since that was our initial plan. Anyways.
Yeah, I think the 4 hours.
And it's probably half. Well, it depends how big stops are, but it's gonna be current count stops.
Might not wait for us.
It may drive here after that top wick. Yeah, it did kind of tap resistance, but for current count stop shot, it's not enough for me. If it was first count stops, like maybe the 1 hour stops that we've had here, then yeah, maybe. But 1 hour stops are like 50 pips, so it's a no for me. If it drives here, it drives there. I can just watch it drive.
What do we say the other day too? Like this is a new 4 hour. Like chances are it's probably gonna make a steeper wick on a new 4 hour.
Yep.
Not guaranteed, not 100%, but this is a 8 pip 4 hour wick. I highly doubt it. Most.
Oh, there's the move. All right, chat. 9:30. See you guys at 9:30 for a wick fill. Lovely.
Need a pullback. We need to drive further down and then pull back.
Yeah, I want to see us tap like 15, right? 15, 14, then pull back for next positions.
Mm.
Yeah, chat. Like if we use first count stops, I honestly would be fine with that sell stop there. But since we're using the current count stops, like it's kind of tough there for me at least with the 11 pip stop. That's why I didn't enter.
Yeah.
But NASA's on point. 4 hour closer back into the range.
You can't use previous 60 pips, 57.
Yeah. Damn, Jijico is bearish on the 4. Oof. Tough.
Nothing on GJ.
That was not the move, or was it?
I guess we'll never know.
We'll never know.
A little bit.
We'll never know. It's never the move. Never. There's always a move. Yeah, chat, I'm not in. I'm not gonna pull the. I got in chat, but I didn't tell you guys this is a risky trade. Like, what's the point of streaming then? Right? Yeah, don't FOMO. Don't FOMO, TT. Wait, TT, are you the same TT? There's like 2 TTs here, I swear. In the chat. Yes, I think there's 2 TTs. There's one that comes by, drops a like, and tells everyone to sub. And there's one that just tells me that I'm missing the move every day.
Yo, you noticed that? I was like, yo, is this the same one?
Is that the same TT? Bro, yo. Ike, where you been? Where's your Tesla been? Is it back from the dealership? Oh, TT76. Okay, I get it. TT76. Okay. In your language, in my language, TT means, well, in my language, I should know. My language doesn't mean anything. Hopefully back tomorrow. I see.
My language is that's Audi.
They still got those on the road.
Yeah, no, they used to be dope. That was the shit like 15 years ago, 20 years ago. Like if you had a CT, forget it. In New York, they were putting white body kits on it. The shit looked like a square from all angles.
From Need for Speed.
I wouldn't use the TT.
It's the real Nav. I don't know. Real Nav. You dropping a single on Friday with Lil Baby and Travis Scott. What's going on?
Word with Devious wants royalties. Discovery fee. Talent discovery fee. Devious talent agency coming soon.
Yo, where's the meme page? Reach out the command page for the meme page. Chat, follow our meme page. It's pretty funny. I mean, it's not. I didn't make it, but Nav made it. It's called DVS meme. Low key, kind of true. 6:30? Nah, 6:45. Just got what 4.69. Highs a broken blueberry, but not in the window. And yep, high's been broken. We're about to get stopped.
Was that a spoon in your hand?
Or 12 minutes, actually, yeah. I couldn't really do anything there, to be honest. I can't. I'm sorry, chat. I don't know what this is.
Fuck me! Fuck me! What the fuck?
Why is the dude in the back screaming up?
Oh shit. That's funny. FOMC announcement is in 5 hours. 5 hours, yeah, 5 hours. 4 hours and 54 minutes to be exact. And then you wait till 2:30, and then you wait till 3 p.m. for a 1 hour closure. If you get nothing at 2:30, and then your positions will be at 3 p.m. because I'm not gonna have penny orders on FOMC, right? That ain't part of my my plan.
You should just pause Apex at that time and jump on a chart real quick.
I don't know if I'm even, man. I don't know if I'm streaming FOMC though. Like I don't know. Does chat even deserve it from what happened yesterday? What happened yesterday? Don, please explain why you answered on a 30-minute candle. Because I was waiting for a steeper wick since it's a new 4 hour candle. That's why. Was there a chance I was gonna miss the move? Yes, but I was waiting for a steeper wick on a current candle because I wanted to have a better stop. Right. I guess Pierce 15 third wasn't bad, but I mean Pierce 15 wasn't bad, but usually I'll go for 30-minute stops or 1 hour stops. Especially in the new 4 hour candle as well, I'll typically go for like a 1 hour stop. So in this case, like 1 hour stops are way too wide for me. Would it have played out? Yeah, but it was like a 50 pip stop. This one RR doesn't really matter, right? Because it drives down your break even anyways, but still, it's 50 pip stop overall. You're risking. I didn't want to risk 50 pips there in that case.
This who wants to go against their principles, right?
Yes.
You do it now, then you're gonna do it in a different time, and overall, and all of a sudden now you're taking 50 pip stops as a standard.
Yeah. It's all about building good habits.
Well, just because I didn't answer chat doesn't mean you couldn't answer. Honestly, I was honestly fine with like, even if it's at like 19.545 would have been fine, but yeah, like your next move here though is the wick fill. So if you can come down here, which I expected to come down to like 14, 15 levels, we pull back something like this and we leave a wick fill. Perfect. We get a nice wick fill trade at 9:30, maybe even 9:15, but most likely 9:30 here, and then we come down to fill the rest of the range and continue down towards next target. Since the daily candle, I believe, has broken the lows now. So now that it's breaking the lows, today's day candle might come all the way down to 16.95 for all we know looking left. 16.95, maybe like 1703-ish levels. But that's your next target today. So you have plenty of room today. I wouldn't trip all over this move, chat, to be honest. It's really not much. Thing came down 20 pips. You guys shouldn't have FOMO over 20 pips. Or you guys shouldn't have FOMO overall.
Oh, Wix, where did you go away, buddy? You went away for a while there. Going Out of Florida?
No, I was in Florida. I went to the Keys. I went to buy a Honda.
You know, buy a Honda?
Yes. We went over this.
I know we did.
Not doing this again.
Sean, use crypto as country when you're applying for the TD account on Trader's Domain. There should be a thing on the website that says use crypto as country, so people don't get confused. Because everyone asks, you can't use TD in the US, you can't use TD in Canada.
I don't think they're allowed to do that.
Yeah, I guess that's why. Yeah. But Don, how about taxes? You can still do taxes. Doesn't have to have anything to do with that.
Wix, what are the states in the U.S. where you don't pay? What do you do? I don't know how it works. Are there any states in the U.S. where you don't pay taxes or less on your income generated?
There's states that don't collect. There's cities don't have city tax, but you're gonna pay taxes. I don't know about state tax. I don't know. I'm not a expert on that, but you're definitely paying taxes. You have to pay taxes anywhere in the U.S. You're paying taxes to the federal government. I don't know if there's separate state tax and city tax, or I don't know where you don't have state or city taxes. I know in New York, you have federal, state, and city. So if you're making money, you don't want to be making it in New York.
I know Delaware you don't pay sales tax.
You don't pay state tax in Delaware?
Sales tax, like
sales tax. Don't have income
Yeah,
state
that's what I was
taxes.
referring to.
Go
when I was over there on
to,
vacation,
go to Puerto Rico. And forget taxes. Yeah, exactly. Puerto Rico for people. Well, you have to invest in the rebuilding process there, I guess, somehow. Yeah, I know quite a few people that have. Logan Paul didn't move out there, but he has a base there with a bunch of people.
15-minute Wickville. Someone said you can't use crypto. You could. It's right here on Diddy. I use Blueberry.
Yeah.
Oh, you have a 15 Wickville here, maybe in a minute and a half. Potentially.
That's nice.
I think I need the 15 to close below below here. 30-minute closure below there would be fine as well, but below here should be ideal. Below 1717. Let's see. You need a top wick too, though. If you can break the highs then flip, perfect. That'd be way better. That'd be way better. But worst case, wait for a 30-minute candle at 9:30. Cross spread, direct account.
I don't think Blueberry has crypto as country, right?
No, because they're regulated, so you have to use your real country.
They regulated where? Australia?
Yeah. I'm surprised I found a broker that has like small spreads, no commissions on gold, and just regulated. It's pretty rare.
Very rare.
Not for long.
Well, all good things come to an end. Just like Vantage FX, they're gonna leave Canada, I'm pretty sure. Eventually, and I see markets
already, no?
Yeah, like
Vantage is already gone.
Yeah, they left. I see markets left too. Like all those Australian brokers or New Zealand brokers already left. Yeah. How you mostly use your stop loss, or is it follow your feel? I don't follow feelings. I never follow feelings. There's no feelings in FX. The trades I enter off of, never feelings. This is a nice topic though, chat. You close below. Yeah, you close below. Nice top wicker. How big are stops in the Prius 15 here? 13 pip stop. TP is gonna be 17.14. Ooh. 30-minute candle is gonna be closing in about 15 though. But this 15 flips here. There's a high chance this 15 will likely drive. Not bad, chat. Not bad at all. The advantage point you have here is gonna be like 17 pips here. Yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop, chat, right here. Sell stop's at 1717, 600, 607. If it breaks the 15 highs, then I'll delete it and wait for a 30-minute candle instead before we get activated.
10 pip stop, potentially.
Yeah, 13 Pierce candle. Not at the first 15 close there. TP
1756.
Yes.
On TD.
Love how everyone just locked it in. There's a high chance to break the highs though, so we might just delete sell stops if it does, but I mean until it breaks highs, it's still valid. If it doesn't activate by like 25, chat, I'll just go ahead and wait for a 30-minute candle instead. NYSC's in about 15 minutes as well.
Might get a.
What's
I
your,
get a
what's
bullish
your low
15.
On Blueberry, Blueberry sell-sides are 5.4. 1717.54. Just in case, you know, everyone's kind of like wondering.
I got 37 with a 2 pip spread.
Nice.
I think if we hold this on the 15, the next 30 can.
BE point is gonna be, you're looking at like 17, 16 point, like around here. I'll say this is the break-even point. 1016.713. That's when I'm moving my stops to break even if we get activated here. If it breaks the 15 highs, which is 17, 18, now 8, again we delete sell stops because this trade won't be valid, and you're gonna have to wait for a 30-minute candle instead to close. And 30-minute candle closes in 12 minutes here. Basically, just you can just say a 15-minute breakout. That's what the trade is. Ooh, I believe we are activated. I'm pretty sure I'm activated there. Yeah, I got activated. Blueberry. Yeah, chat. Stops has been activated here for me. Stop loss is the Prius high for 13 pips. TP is gonna be down here for around 52 pips. This is a sell that we got activated into. And yeah, base out to 15. Work the lows. Break-even point is 716. May not close partials, may just move stops to break even there. I'll probably close partials at around, well, let's just no, but probably around the wick fill, like 1715. I think that's the 20 pip mark. I'll probably be the the plate spot where I'll probably close half at 50%. But yeah, nonetheless, this is the trade we're in. We're activating too. 30 pip stop loss, so full risk. Well, 100% risk, same risk, but full fixed. Locked in. I'm in.
Running.
Yeah, I got activated.
Yeah, running.
What was your entry?
Running.
FTC, what's your entry, Wix? Yeah, it's on mute.
Yeah, he's on mute.
No, I'm not on mute. Sorry, my daughter was talking to me. My entry 17. What is something? Hold on. Yeah, 17, 17, 54.
54.
Yeah, my entry, I got activated at 17.54.
That's what my entry is.
Oh shit, yeah.
That's fun. Hold on. What's your stop?
Stop loss on Blueberry. There you go. Stop loss on Blueberry is 1719.09 on Blueberry.
Using previous candle.
Yeah.
And you gave it 12.5. Oh, 09. So you gave 2.5 pip spread.
Yep. Well, it's kind of different. The prices are different on like on Blueberry. It's on Awanda. It'll say an average of like 03. On Blueberry, it's like 09. But it's the same. It's the same price point.
Yeah, 09 sounds good.
Yeah, same price point. Well, in terms of manage risk in a losing situation here, I know it's only 13 pip stops, but we still got manage risk somehow. If we do, it'll probably be based off of 30. Like if a 30-minute candle closes, well, it's kind of tougher since 30-minute candle closes bullish. It'll be still below resistance, and our stop loss is like this kind of high here. I think it'll be based off of I just let it run honestly. Our stops or just TP depends.
It's 13 pips.
Yeah, it's because like if this kind of high, let's say this kind of high here, our stop loss here was like something like this, then yeah, you can say, okay, well, this 30-minute candle here, if it decides to come back up and close above, you can manage risk. But in this case, like we're already below zone, and even if it closes bullish below zone, you can still get a wick special. So therefore, it's kind of different here in this case of manage risk. Might not be able to.
Why take a sell with that long wick? Because we're not looking at that wick as a rejection. We're looking at that wick to be filled. We're looking at it as a new range created. So now that we've based the top of this wick, which is the candle body, is basically the top of the range. Now we're going to look to hit the bottom of the range again. Came down, created a wick, which hit support, came back up, created a range with this wick. It would have been a rejection wick if that long wick closed with a bullish candle. That long bottom wick, that's just a new range, and we're looking for it to get filled.
Yeah, like if this candle decides to close bullish or bearish respecting a zone, then you can say it's a rejection. But in this case, in our favor, close bearish below the range, just expecting the wick to get filled. If a 30-minute candle closes your chat, like we may see another pullback. If we don't hit the breaking point by then, we may see another pullback because 30-minute candle is gonna close up and it's gonna pull back for a top wick, and then likely it's gonna drop 930. Unless we hit stops before, but 930 should be interesting as well. We may see another pullback, so just be aware of that. If you don't want pullbacks, then just close here and then wait till 930, wait for a top wick, and then enter again. But I'm just gonna let the trade rock here. That's what I'm doing.
It's only 13 pips.
Yeah, pretty small stops. This is like smaller than 1-2% risk since he's fixed lot. Technically, this should be a third lot or something, but
because of the risk.
Yeah, it's very small. This is a small stop we've had
in
a long time. Chat, gonna go ahead and move my stops break even here. We have tapped that level, monitor to the left. So at this point, we're break even. This count should not flip bullish if it wants to drive down here, and I will or it will pull back for another 30. But I will close half once he taps 715. Not closing half yet, just break even here. As I said, in my plan, 10 minutes ago basically. So this is all said and done beforehand. And now whatever happens happens.
House money, baby. House money.
Yes. And if it hits break even, we enter off the 30 again, because 30-minute count will be better too, since you have a stronger closure below. But you obviously want to close a bit stronger here than just that.
Gonna pull back regardless.
Yeah, we're gonna get a pullback here, unless you drive no top wick.
But the question is, but most of the time we're talking about 90% of the time, and Typically, it should pull back here, and the question is, will we survive the pullback, or if we don't, what kind of entry will we get on the next 30? Will be a better entry. The thing is, if you survive the pullback here, I think you're good for a drive down and really nice runners.
Those previous, well, current and previous wicks are pretty steep still. It'll be interesting.
There's a lot of volume in these candles. And 930, I mean,
nice push.
The thing is, if it holds this support at 930, there's a support here. You might see a reject, so we want it to really drive.
I got her at the support area right here.
We've really seen like the 8 a.m. if it holds resistance, and 9 a.m. candle drives also. So like, typically the 8 and 9 a.m. candles give a lot of info here.
Chat, very key here. Sorry, Wix.
I was just gonna say, just gotta pay attention. Market opens, gives indications of what it wants to do. And once you recognize them, you just drive with the market. Which is what this candle is doing. We're just, we saw the market give us volume, give us direction, and we're just following it.
Chat, very key here. Again, when you take a trade, right? Since this isn't my trade, this is your trade. Okay? So don't give me credit for the win, and don't blame for the loss. This is your win, okay? I'm saying this now as it's a winning trade, but whatever position you take, chat, make sure you make your plan before you take the actual trade. Before a trade was taken, what did we say? What's the break-even point? How are we gonna manage risk? And how are we gonna close half? It's already said and done. So once those things happen, you can't do anything about it. You just gotta follow your plan. That's it. Again, step one, starts to break even. Maybe during a trade you can adjust a little bit. You can close half here and there, but other than that, like once you have a plan, you should roughly stick to your plan and just stick to your set of rules there.
Up, goddammit, drive down.
Yeah, I just closed half.
Yeah, I'm gonna close half here as well since it's gonna 30 minutes time is not a closure, so I'm gonna close half here around like 15 pips. I'll say 14 spreads, but
14.
Yeah, 14 spreads here. So closing half here, and then gonna let the rest run until TP. All right, chat. So
high fives, everyone. All around high fives.
Yeah. I just as I expect another pullback here. Just 30 minute count's gonna close up, and I mean it almost tapped the closing half point, but
We should have a wave celebration. Remember at the arenas? Yeah. Put two hands up.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Now, next step here, chat. Survive the 30 minute pullback. The bottom wick, 30 minute, and the pullback. So this thing's on pullback twice here. You're gonna see, but as long as it closes below 17.17, I think we're good. So like at least 17.14, maybe 17.12.
Gonna have to improve that record now. Got no choice.
Well, yes, sir.
No choice.
The streak continues, chat. See, it's funny because yesterday chat was going crazy, and see, you guys are back, right? You guys are all back again today.
They're back.
All back. The ones that just went crazy yesterday, and the ones that just whatever yesterday, all came back.
Well, you got a W yesterday, no?
Yes. However, chat was I get it though. I get it, but
don't open that up.
We won't talk about yesterday.
Yeah. All right, I'll watch that. I missed it.
Yeah, my entry on Blueberry, chat, in case you guys want to know exactly, is 5.4. So that's my entry. 17.54. If you want to move it, you move your stop loss in profit or break even to there, you guys can. But that is my exact entry. So if I hit that level, then I'll be out. If not, I'll be still in. Just saying this now in case some of you guys like to go crazy after. In case you guys think I'm scamming you guys, like.
Sorry, you scammed us.
Right now, price is at 17.18. It's pushing back up. I'm roughly 3 pips away from getting started to break even. And my break even usually is just at break even. It's not really coming for spreads. It's usually at break even. Okay, there's a 30 minute candle. It opened up. You're gonna see a top wick here. There's a top wick. If this thing flips bearish here, we should be good. But ideally, you're looking for a steeper wick. And
break even.
And 5-4. Yeah, I got hit break even. I hit break even. Yep. Yeah. Because the thing is, this is on pullback. Look left, chat. Like the 3-minute candle. We can take another entry for sure. It's just you need a top wick here, so we can tap like 17, 18 here. We can take another entry on the flip maybe.
That'll be beautiful.
Because look left here, your top wicks are going to be roughly at this level or like anywhere in this zone here. That's where the top wick is, as long as it respects the first kind of high. How big are stops on this 3-minute candle? 20 pips. TP is going to be roughly 54. Price goes back into the range. Perfect. That's a nice top wick. Let's see. Let me just add this up real quick. Yo, what's up with 13? 13, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 13s in a row. Well, today is 14, but I'm just gonna put 13 just because. See, chat. I'm taking out a pip just to have it be 13s. Should be 14, but cool.
Paul, you're good on that trade?
Yeah, I'm out of break.
You close full or?
Nah, I closed half and then the rest I let it run and I got hit a B.
Not bad.
Yeah, now I'm watching US 30.
Oh yeah, US 30 time. But how'd you know there's a fake? Okay, there's a pullback coming because if you look at price action states that there should be a new top wick being created for 9:30. And in this case, that's what happened. Because usually candles, right, chat? Whenever you have a candle that closes, you have a bottom wick. And if we're down to the last 2 minutes of a 3-minute candle, where do you think the bottom wick to be created? Off of the pullback. And then when a new candle opens up, there'll be another pullback for a top wick, right? That's why we kind of just close there instead of waiting for it to actually hit the close partial point. Oh, it's 14 here. Not bad. I mean, we can call it a day. I mean, it broke the 15 highs. Let's see. We might get in that trade. I'll let you guys know. If anything, wait for 10 a.m., right? And then FOMC. Maybe FOMC chat. I don't know yet. Yo, Paul, do you play Apex?
No, I have it on my PC, but I actually haven't played it. I used to play Call of Duty a lot.
Yeah, you're like a Call of Duty guy. I bet you're those toxic guys in Call of Duty that would just.
Yeah, I used to play Search and Destroy.
Screaming the mic.
Screaming at people.
What COD though?
Everyone, bro. Every single one.
But isn't Paul actually in the army though?
Yeah.
Right.
Oh yeah, you're still in there. How long's your contract?
I don't know, 3 years left.
3 years? Are you gonna renew?
No, fuck man.
How long you been there for? Like how long?
Since 2009.
That contract was 20 years long, or like
no, I
12?
Re-enlisted. Yeah.
If you don't mind me asking, have you been deployed anywhere?
3 deployments.
Pardon?
I did 3 deployments I did 1 to Iraq and 2 to Afghanistan.
Damn.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's that max contract. 20-year extension.
Taking enough.
I think Marco's done too. Marco's is he's on his last, like, I think this is his last thing right now too. So he's done August 1st, August 2nd. He said yeah, he just doesn't want to do it anymore.
What's the minimum years you have to commit to?
It depends on your contract you initially signed for it. I mean, there's people that sign 2-year contracts, 4-year contracts, but I think the minimum you can do is 2 years.
Well, chat. I think we gotta wait. So let's do a wordo. Get rid of the bad berries here, and then we'll come back to the charts. Actually, we need Wicks here first. Fuck. Actually, no, we don't need Wicks here. We have Paul can carry us. Paul can carry us. Me Nifty. Whenever we do it, we're jocked.
We're iffy.
Yeah, we're iffy. Yeah, literally iffy.
We're 50%.
Hi, chat.
Let me just play some shows real quick. Let me just play some music. All right.
Throw some vowels in there.
What do you guys got? Hold on. All right, cool. Trade. Let's go.
Throw an O or a U somewhere.
I think.
You got a T in the word.
Punts. Eh?
Punts.
Not bad, yes, or
More vowels. Something with more vowels. O U.
Blunt.
Blunt.
I don't think they have that. I don't
U.
think that's. Is it? All right. I mean, that's the same thing. I guess the youth earlier. No.
Yeah, it is.
That's the same then. What did I guess again?
I like blunt. I like what?
Stunt.
Stunt.
Two T's though.
stunt.
Two T's.
I like that. I like that. I like it.
I don't like two T's though. We might as well guess like blunt or something.
You're trading BL for an S, basically, instead of for 2.
Yeah. But I mean, a waste anyways. Damn. Okay.
What?
Get a O in somewhere.
He said blunt.
Sword. SWORD. That's
No, we need a T somewhere.
Oh yeah, never mind.
Physique. I'm down bad on this word though.
Gelato. How many words is gelato?
GLATO. Yeah, I missed
Gelato.
6.
Oh yeah, no.
You gotta be creative for this stuff.
Yeah.
About something STO. Can do store, no
Stims.
E.
Okay.
What's
ST,
that?
I think.
Wait, what is that?
Stims.
Shit in Call of Duty.
Like a
Running?
stims, like a stimulus package.
Oh, okay. Or
Like
stem.
a stimmy?
Okay.
Like a stimmy?
Hit me with the stimmy, Mike.
Oh, this is stomp. Stomp or stimp? I or O? Let's go stomp.
Stomp. I like
Good, I
stomp.
like O.
You got the O in there.
Okay.
Alright. And the M. Oh shit.
Tom.
Okay, so T gotta be here. So be like
None of it is in the right place.
Yeah.
T is.
Months.
Ooh, yeah. MONTH.
no N.
Oh.
Yeah.
Months. MONTH. Months.
No, no N.
Oh.
No
Oh,
N.
yeah. Motor. Is there R?
No, no R.
Oh shit. Can there be double? How do you know if there's double letters?
You
Does
don't.
it show up twice? Mots. I'm still stuck on mots. Murado, Motto. What's Motto? Motto? Drake's Motto.
MOTTO.
Oh, TTO.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know. The double T. The double
I mean,
T is tough.
we'll definitely get something, but
Double O, double T.
fuck
It's
it.
tough. That's a tough one.
Oh shit!
Let's go. Hey, you gotta play that. That's the outro music.
For real. For real.
Yeah, that was looking beyond. Oh, look at that.
30 minute broke the highs first though. I wouldn't even.
Yeah.
That's what I wanted earlier for the 15, but not bad. Damn, we lost 300 people there. Good. The bad bears are out of here. Now that you come back, checking if I caught a gold star or not. Watch the viewers come back up. Chat. I think I'm waiting for 10 here. I'm gonna wait for 10 a.m. here. Might get a 1 hour wick fill on 10. Yeah. You broke the highs first. I don't think I would have entered there, to be honest.
No.
I would have probably waited for 10 a.m. at this point. Wick fill though. Back to back wick fills. Oh, for all the R monsters, that trade there, the last one was a 1-to-1 where we closed half at, right? So no one said anything for that trade. It was a 1-to-1. Let's add to the record. So what's the record now? Yearly stats, 83 wins. So damn, 83 wins. You're looking good. 83 wins this year. Only 16 losses on stream. This is on stream, chat. On stream. And then for the month of July has not been bad at all, man. 13 wins for July. I'll take it.
For the last 4 days, you've been smashing it. Look at those numbers.
Yep.
Holy.
Picked up.
But done.
But gone.
What now?
I don't know. It's just the anti-everything. But done.
We can reach 2,000 pips.
Oh, wow. That's solid. That looks so nice.
What's our win rate this year then? What's our win rate for gold? Did it change? 83.84. Back to 84 range, chat. Almost. Gold's 85.71. Month of July, and win rate has been 87, 86 basically. 100% GJ, 85 gold. Not bad.
You didn't get copyright?
I probably will for this song, yeah. Probably get blocked in this song, to be honest. But I can block. I can take it out.
Oh, they're knocking on his door right now.
Nick HD. Oh, brother.
Hey.
Has that person actually talked aside from linking?
No, but imagine showing up here for like a year straight. Like, he should definitely be able to make a better living trading than doing that.
Yeah, that's true.
Long time. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. This 1 hour wick fill is not bad. Pre FOMC. Did the 30-minute candle on your broker break the highs? Wixnan?
Yes.
It did?
Yeah.
TD broke highs? Let me check. Oh yeah, same thing as Blueberry.
Broke it clean.
Pardon?
I broke it clean.
Yeah.
No doubt.
Your sound the wall fell off? Yeah, I'm gonna retape it today. So now leaf stickers. Does FOMC affect the repairs? May affect GJ with the yen. You stream FOMC? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. I do know that. What I do know is that tomorrow will be a very good day in terms of volume, because you're gonna get the leftover volume from FOMC for tomorrow, and you're gonna get continuation of price tomorrow. So tomorrow should be pretty straightforward. It's just FOMC might be a bit choppy today, but 3 p.m. after FOMC, the hour after, is gonna be very clean. And then should get continuation again tomorrow. So tomorrow's New York stream, make sure you guys are here. So I will for sure stream that. But as for FOMC today, I don't know. I might be out. I'll let you guys know. Maybe.
What's the plan? You hopping off?
No, I'm waiting for 10. I want to see his wick fill here. Yeah, because we can close below here. We're looking good.
Hey Don, did you take your driving test yet?
No, I can't take it yet. I gotta finish my driving school. Yeah.
How long is that?
20 weeks.
God dang.
No. Well, 11 weeks. Yeah. Kind of annoying. Well, no. 20 hours. Sorry, 20 hours. Together it's 11 hours each, or 10 hours each, I think.
Okay. And that's something mandatory you gotta do?
No.
No, but you get lower insurance.
Oh, I see.
Is that how it works in America too?
I don't. It's like what, maybe 5 to 10%. It's still something, but.
It's not much, right?
No, especially at your age. Like
It's useless?
after yeah, it kind of is. After you hit 25, that's when insurance will drop in Toronto or in Canada. But before that, it's gonna be pretty high.
In States, that's how it is. Once you reach like 25 insurance rates, supposedly you're supposed to drop a little bit.
But then just try to get your G.
So I can apply right now if I know how to drive and just do a driving test. And if I have the skill for it.
That's what I did.
Really? I should do it too. And
like if you know how to somewhat drive and park, parallel park and 3-point turns and stuff like that, you're good.
I don't know how to do it yet.
Oh boy.
Yeah, no, that's why.
Wait, do you have any in-car lessons yet, or you?
No, not yet. That's the thing. I know how to drive. Like I definitely could drive. It's just like I gotta learn how to park, parallel park, and reverse.
Pull up to Young and Bloor. You'll learn in my Jeep. Let's go.
All right, let's go today. Let's stream it.
I'm down. I got the week off. I'll help you. Yo, you park a Jeep, you're good. You park in Corolla any day.
I crashed a Corolla. When's your vacation? August. Not vacation, business trip. We need a cameraman. Biggs might not come. We're kind of chalked here.
No shit, why?
I might not get his passport in time or something.
Oh fuck.
Yeah. Why wait for account closures? Because my playbook shows me that waiting for account closures with my stats here, that's the highest winning probable trades that I have. So I'm gonna continue to do that. Not what another streamer or trader does, right? Everyone has their own way of trading. This is what works best for me. Are you staying at 2 p.m.? I'm not staying at 2 p.m. No. Well, definitely not staying at 2 p.m. I'll hop off and then maybe stream 2 p.m. again. Yeah, you gotta fly Vancouver. Who's in Vancouver? Chat. Who in the chat is from Vancouver? That is good video. Okay. Or wants to come to Vancouver. Ooh.
How long is the trip?
August 10th to the 14th.
So that's not cool.
Oh, you got a weekend in there. Okay.
Yeah, we got. Oh, I'm missing stream on Thursday, Friday. I'm streaming Wednesday because I'm flying out at like 9-10 p.m. on a Wednesday. So or 6, 7. So I got time in the morning to stream. I just gotta, you know, get ready at night, and then yeah, we're missing Thursday and Friday stream. I'll be back on Monday. Not bad.
Might do Thursday, Friday.
Nice Wix.
Let's see how Wix9 streams are.
Yo, Wix, you figured out the Zoom chat or no? You just
What was that?
when you were hosting, did you figure out the Zoom chat or no?
No, I never did Zoom. We just did. I just spoke.
Discord. Yeah. Spoke.
Where's Wix Wisdom?
Right? We're gonna manage these funds.
Wix's wisdom.
Yo, that's I don't know. That's a dope. Actually.
Alright. So, Wix9 Friday with the fam. Charlie.
Oh,
This
that's
looks-
Hollywood Beach. Yo, there's Charlie Chaplin right next to me, actually.
What the? What the? Miami, Florida.
No, this is in St. Pete's. This is St. Pete's. Listen,
Is this
listen.
normal?
That boy the scalper. He's in to get in, get out, and that's it.
So he's a scalper.
Yo, these are the overtures right in the middle.
Swing traders.
Watch, listen.
For a long time. That boy the scalper. He's in to get in, get out, and that's it.
That's not funny.
What is that, Snapper?
What's he doing though?
New fish.
That's a new fish.
Probably following some McLarens.
McLaren.
And the seafood is so fresh.
We in St. Pete's Beach today, and honestly, having the time of my life. I'm here with my 2 daughters. I needed to come.
Yo, Wix, where's the trading stuff at?
What do you mean?
Where's the? All right, guys, just got back to my office here in the long GJ trade here right now, guys.
Oh, that's like I don't know, one of the
200% profit,
episodes.
about to close right here on my broker. You know, where's that at?
I don't know.
Say
When's the next vid when we hit 2K subs?
The typical Forex vlog. Gonna get in my McLaren here, gonna go for a drive, get some Denny's. Like, what? They always go to Denny's. Like, they have a McLaren, or you go to Denny's.
I don't get that shit.
You gotta balance it somehow.
Like, they're for a vlog. Like, if you're gonna flex for a vlog, at least go somewhere to flex for a vlog. 'Cause obviously you're flexing for a vlog, but at least go somewhere where you can actually flex that, not Denny's. Like, I get it, Denny's is fine if you just go there, but like they're trying to flex, right? And they're trying to flex at Denny's. It's like, right.
All I'm saying is, I'd rather, instead of go drop stacks at the strip club, I'd rather go drop them on like shit like that, adventures like that. 'Cause, I don't know, memories with family are a lot more valuable than memories with strippers. Although do not discount those memories with strippers. They'll be one of the finest, some of the finest stories you'll tell over like shots of Patron, but believe me, those are the family memories are much more valuable.
For sure. How much make this trade? 1,000 followers. 1,000.
1,000.
1,000 dollars. With the half closures. I think 1.1, but
I used to strip at Denny's.
we gotta
Side
hop
hustle.
off. We gotta hop off the
Good one,
screen.
small trailer.
Side hustle.
Nice side hustle, brother. Respect that. I respect it.
Used to be big chillin'. What happened? Why you quit Denny's?
Big chillin'. Bruh.
echo. That's just how. That's what Don sounds like in real life. He walks around every time he speaks. There's like a small echo.
This morning voice.
Hello, God. God, is that you?
God.
Man, count. Come on, chilling, man.
Small tips. That's why you small chillin'. All right, all you.
Brother.
Cool cats and kittens.
Gold. Can we get a wick fill? Gold.
How about new?
Would that 3-minute entry would have hit a break even? Nope. Of course it doesn't. Not the 3-minute candle. Not the chuddy. Target's been tapped though. That's good.
This is about to be it.
Next target. Chat. The target for a day, again, I said earlier, 1697. So again, you have plenty of room today. Plenty of room for dinner.
All right.
This is just breakfast.
Come on. I gotta run. Come on. Let's get this trade in.
You gotta pull back now for a wick fill.
I know.
I mean, I kind of want to pull. I want us to close at 716, but it looks like, I mean, it could still. That'll be a nice wick fill. Wick fills after wick fills after wick fills. New level on gold. I mark my levels every session. It changes every session. I never had the same levels yesterday. It's a different level every day. I'll move your line down towards here. More stars below here. I will. We'll see. If we get trade 10 chat. We may not. We may. Let's see. Let's find out. This is a nice wick fill though. Pretty clean. Stops are gonna be 50. Man, I need to pull back. Pull back to like 15 or 16. That'll be fine. Then we'll have an RSL stop. Wait, Wick's go. He actually dipped.
I think so.
Oh yeah.
He actually dipped. They said he had to come back. Or he's gonna come back. I don't think he actually dipped. I think he's just coming back. I think he usually says something when he dips. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Nice pullback for a wick fill. Perfect. Exactly where I wanted. Thought it was gonna be like 40 pips to average here.
What do you think about gold? If you look left, there's a minor support on the 4-hour at 1713. That 421.
Yeah. Right here, right?
150.
I'm kind of looking at daily. That's why the daily. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking at the daily. I mean, if it rejects here, this next one I kind of would just probably break the highs and drive up, right? But if it creates the top wick first, that's like that level, and then doesn't actually break the highs and flips, you can get the wick fill still. I believe. I'm looking more so at the daily here in the 1 hour. Yeah. Oh, nice top wick, chat. Yeah, chat. No stuff for me just yet. I'm gonna wait for probably 17, 16, 800 get tapped, or maybe 17, 16, 472. Once the level gets tapped, we'll have a sell stop here. But the stop loss is looking like it's gonna be 42 pips. in this case, or maybe current candle stops. But again, for current candle stops, you need a steep top wick. So maybe a 20 pip stop in this case, 25, 27 pip stop. It's not bad. Just need that top wick first before we come down. And the advantage point you have here coming down is going to be roughly 13 pips here. No sell stops just yet. I'll tell you guys exactly when I'll have a sell stop. If you guys want to have a sell stop, go ahead and have one. I'm just gonna wait for a steeper top wick. Or just be a breakout using current higher low. So that's gonna be a trade probably. So breakout, current higher low again. Breakout is gonna be not 81%. Current higher low is gonna be 85, and 1 hour is gonna be 85%, 84.30. So 1 hour breakout, current higher low, 9% weight trade. 1 hour breakout, current higher low, 9%, right? I have to sell stops. I got no sell stops here. I'll let you guys know when. I don't have it yet. I would have a sell stop here if we had a decent stop loss on the previous 1 hour candle. If it was like 20, 30 pips, yeah. But now that stops are kind of 45-ish. I'm gonna wait for this candle to create a steeper wick so I can use that candle as a stop loss. Could this be a top wick? Yeah, it could be. If it drives here, it drives here. Ideally, this candle here should likely drive towards 17.11 though to fill a wick, and continue down towards 17.05 probably in this case. That might be it.
Yeah, it's probably gone.
The advantage point, if you guys are in, I'm not in, but if you guys are in, your breaking point is gonna be like look left here, minus 4 to the left right here at 17.13, 4.3, 14 pips. So if you guys are in, congrats, big dubs for you guys. Might be no trades for me until FOMC if it drives down here.
It's a good break-even point for anyone that's in.
Yep, that's your break-even point now. So at this point, if you guys are in, this is where you want to move your stops to break even at. It's optional for you guys to close half and all that, but that's your B point. How big are your stops there? Oh, I guess 30-minute stops. No, 30-minute stops and 1 hour stops are like the exact same. 50-minute stops are gonna be pretty much the exact high, like 12 pips. Yeah.
Yeah.
Both giving you nice stops today. Yeah, the reason why I wanted a 17-19 here chat was because or 17-17 here was his most recent heavy resistance. But I guess it tapped this minor level to the left instead, which is fine.
Yeah, if it went into 17-16, that would have been nice too.
Yeah.
Wait, do you hesitate if it breaks the previous 15? Like
no. If it's like a 1 hour trade, no, I wouldn't care for 15.
Okay, gotcha.
Because it'll be just based off the 1 hour. Because like 15 is like saying it's like saying you break the 1 minute high or 5 minute high, right? But still respecting the 15 highs. So
that makes sense.
Like our first trade, I wanted that trade to literally break the highs first. It'll break 15 highs and then just respect the 1 hour. But yeah, chat, I think the trade would hit break even for us. So I mean, we stayed on commission. W commission. But it would definitely hit break even for me. Being real.
Yeah.
But look where it tapped. Minor support to the left. That's your advantage point, right? The support to the left. Look where you tapped. Like basically right there. So yeah, at this point, will I have another sell stop? Probably not, because like the whole point of taking a trade here was that you wanted the wick fill, but you also wanted the advantage point. If this is your entry on this candle here, right? If this is your entry here, you would have a 10 pip advantage point. But now that you made a low, your entry is gonna have to be the breakout lows, and the breakout lows is literally where your advantage point was. You don't really have much advantage here. You have like maybe a 3 pip advantage, 4 pips. So it's kind of tough. So I think for me, it's a day. I'm calling it a day here, chat. And I'm gonna wait till FOMC. You know, if you're asking me if gold can still drop down, it can. It could. It's still respecting one of our highs, but as for entries, it's going to be quite some time for an entry here. So I'm going to call it. Call it as it is, chat.
All right, chill, boys, I'm out.
Peace out, Paul. Yo, thanks for tuning in.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See you later.
Right. See you tomorrow, brother. Later.
Take care, chat.
Good luck on US30. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna call that a day, guys. Thanks Ifty for stopping by. I appreciate it as always. Where's Wix? He kind of left on me. Don't know where he is, but I appreciate him as well. Appreciate everyone in the Zoom call, especially you, Rosa. I see you in there. But yeah, chat, that's it for me. I'm gonna call it a day. Will I stream FOMC later? We'll find out on my Instagram, I guess, or Twitter. Go follow my Twitter. It's Donvo on Twitter. I'll let you guys know if I stream FOMC. And yeah, man, that's it for me today. So have a good one. Peace out. Much love. I appreciate you guys. It's been a blessing. Good dubs today. Don't ruin your day. Stay safe during FOMC. Use protection during FOMC, which is your stop loss. And yeah, see you guys then, or if not then, I'll see you guys tomorrow during 6:30 AM Eastern. Tomorrow morning during the streams. Alright, love you guys. Peace out. Peace the fuck out. But Don, gold is flipping bearish here. I see it. I see it. I see it. Peace out, yo.
Remember feeling broke as fuck, but now I'm pulling up in Rover trucks. I'm pulling up in Rover trucks now. Remember these bitches ain't wanna fuck. Now she gave me head outside of Toys R Us. These bitches suck as fuck me now. When you see me, look, don't touch. All my shooters ballin', playin' for the bucks. Shooting off for money. Keep your circle small, be careful who you trust. They gon' love you when you down, not when you up. They gon' leave you when you down, not when you up. Fuck these hoes that small, they gon' love you when you down, not when you up. They gon' leave you when you down, not when you up. Fuck these hoes without my bros who cannot trust. Who else gon' help me in the jam when I get stuck? Who else gon' ride up for me when my time is up? Feel like myself again when I be on the drugs. I'm in LA, I took a yellow pill, I hope it fuck me up. I'm not playing, I don't feel tired, I think the Addy's adding up. See the X's and the O's and now she wanna kiss and hug. All this codeine got me stuck, but the Molly get me up. My mama call me up, but I can't pick it up, cause my whole left side ain't moving. I don't sell drugs, but I abuse them from the Rex, but now I'm moving. Remember feeling broke as fuck, but now I'm pulling up in Rover trucks. I'm pulling up in Rover trucks now. Remember these bitches ain't wanna fuck. Now she gave me head outside of Toys R Us. These bitches suck as fuck me now. When you see me, look, don't touch. All my shooters ballin', playin' for the bucks. Shooting off for money. Keep your circle small, be careful who you trust. They gon' love you when you down, not when you up. I'ma put these hoes on blast now. Cash found me, I got cash now. Watch your mouth, I pay the money, you get slapped out. Fucking hoes, I turned down shows, I ice my rollie now. She didn't wanna fuck me then, but she can't fuck me now. These hoes get naked for me when I'm playing my songs. Now my neck feel naked when I don't got change. Woke up feeling like $1,000,000. Took a shower after I'm done getting sucked. Too much drip, I think we gotta fix the sink. Never know it's slimy, might just pull up in the mink. These stones got clarity, they twinkle and they twink. And they cost a little more than what you think. Got an XO piece and it's all glass. Got my bitch a condo in the G class. Anytime I drop, I'm burning rubber. Bitch, I don't wanna dance, I'm not a clubber. I'm ballin' like I got a triple-double.
Diamonds biting, barking, need a muzzle. Name a block, will pull up and we'll spread. You can't keep up with the smoke, there's no debate. I don't got a vibe, I can't replace. Take the condom off and pay no fees.
I just mind my business in a rave. I just put some gold around my wrist like Ace of Spade. I just hit your wifey from the back and I didn't ate it. I can keep up with the mob business, no debating. I can have a nigga slam you out and that's on Satan. I seen her bad and then I caught her Walter Payton. Every single diamond on me when you can go skating. I know niggas from XO, from Atlanta way to Vegas. Yeah, Molly and codeine, I got the face and now take a bitch in the penthouse and turn it to a playground. I got mink all over my bosses, I'm just pacing around. And that new Draco came with wood like a cabinet, yeah. I can tell you all about it, Sandy, yeah. Codeine, X pills, and them haddies, yeah. Old Hondas on me, I'm a granny, yeah. Stella McCartney all over her panties, yeah.
Name a block, will pull up and we'll spread. You can't keep up with the smoke, there's no debate. I don't got a vibe, I can't replace. Take the condom off and pay no fees.
I just mind my business in a rave. I just put some gold around my wrist like Ace of Spade. I just hit your wifey from the back and I didn't ate it. I can keep up with the mob business, no debating.